Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we're about to have some fun today. Welcome to. Well, this was supposed to be Machine Code Mondays, but I fell into a lot of problems yesterday getting a setup done because it turns out I didn't really have Visual Studio completely installed on my Windows PC, and I've been working on the Mac for a bit. And I kind of realized that one of the reasons that I might have failed the Machine Code Mondays is because the actual code never worked on Windows. Because, well, it turns out Xcode's interpreter kind of fixes in and places and shit that you might already have. Or like you don't need anymore. So basically some header files were missing and things like that. But now we'll be getting used to it. So right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go through the project again, and we're gonna discuss these things. And I'm gonna stop the blues for a second just so that we can talk one-on-one. Now I'm hoping even the mic has been fixed itself. Yesterday it turns out I've got two audio sources from the same mic, so it's kind of also creating a lot of other issues. I've added a few other situations that should make my voice a bit more clearer, a bit more better. I've placed my mic a little bit more better, a bit more closer. It should not peak as much, and we should be having a loud enough voice in general. Anyway, moving towards the next part of the series, we will be doing a blurring algorithm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly open this project. I'm going to wait. I'm going to just go a directory and let's see what all do we have. We've got a readme. You know what? I'm just going to open the readme file on the on code so that we kind of know what's going on. So I'm going to do code readme.md so that we can go ahead and actually show you the readme and what I'm trying to do. So this way I can also keep to what the actual problem of the code was. Thank you for telling me the release notes. Oh, that was so nice of you. Anyway, can we not I really wish there was a freaking zoom feature. For some reason there's no zoom feature. Oh, I think that was it. Oops. That was okay, so we will wow. That is absolutely useful, I guess. That was stupid. Oh, there we go. Finally. No, it just went back. What? I just want to be able to zoom in my code. Is it controlled? Okay, we'll see. We'll cross the bridge when we come to it. We should be able to see the code, at least in Visual Studio, as we do it. So the main idea was that, hey, in this program, when you go ahead and build the exe, it should be able to take a few arguments, which is source input, source output, that you can create, like you can load up a TGA file, blur the image, and bring it back. It is unfortunately horribly named image compression, even though it is not image compression. It's just basically blurring an image. We are losing data, but it does not really mean that, hey, we've actually lost data. It does not make the file any smaller, because that's not how it works. We're trying to not join the pixels together right now. I mean, we could do that. We could join the pixels together. It will be a different mathematical function. And I'm going to go over what actually happened during the code interview. In the actual machine code part of things, what basically happened was when they sent me the machine code, I was coming off of a family event. I was hungover, but then I was also traveling like crazy. So I think I moved from the United Kingdom to the UAE to Goa to Hyderabad back in. It just took a week, and all of this happened in a course of a week. And I just, God damn it, I just lost a little bit of. Oops, that's the wrong place for Streamlabs to be. I'm open that. Yep, there we go. I mean, we should be fine, right? Don't know what happened there. I think something just moved around for a bit, but yeah. So that's what kind of happened. I'm not trying to say that was an excuse, because again, it just takes 6 hours to kind of do this. And I concentrated on all the wrong things, kind of. And I didn't really concentrate on what their measures of successes were. All right? Their measures of successes were to adhere to the requirements. Oh, wait, what the hell? Somebody joined the Discord. Oh, hello. Yeah. Oh, that was stupid of me. I am on Discord. I should probably not be on Discord, unless I'm kind of doing live over there. Can I also be live on Discord? Is that a thing that I can do? Can I get live on Discord? Share your screen. Imagine double sharing screen. That'll be fucking funny. I wanna share screen. I wanna share Screen 2. Let's see. Let's just be on 2 places. I'm not gonna do 1440p. I'm gonna do 1080. Let's keep the frame rate to 30. Um, actually, let's go live. Yeah, it should be fine. It should be fine. So yeah, the thing that I'm trying to do. All right. Oh, I do not have Wim IDE on my Visual Studio Code. Oh, that's disappointing. But yeah, the way it kind of works is pretty simple. The way it kind of works is pretty simple. What we'll be doing is they wanted me to adhere to the above requirements. Basically, make sure you can actually have a source part, a destination part, and a blur factor, which will be between 0 to 1. Make sure it's applied to the source and destination images and things like that. Now, the reason I'm kind of doing this machine code interview is because I want to kind of help people at least. I could not get the help that I wanted, where the idea was that, hey, we're going to be we're going to be trying to a little bit, if possible, get more answers, and I'm hoping that I'll get a lot of things. So the TGA image has a few properties, so we kind of go over those properties, and then we're going to look at the code, exactly what I did. If I remember, this is the TGA specifications file format. Ooh, that was, yeah, it loaded up on Edge. Sue me. So this is not a good example. So this is the header construction of a TGA file, but TGA5 can have different types of data types that can have different types of memory. So that means 24-bit could have RGB, 32-bit can have RGBA, 16-bit will have a different way of kind of doing RGB. And we can go ahead and find those out. There we go. So we got pixel 0, pixel 1, pixel 2, pixel 3, which is going to be Unicode A. This is your 15-bit, which is going to be pixel count, pixel value, pixel count, pixel value. So it'll say, okay, this is the third pixel count, fourth pixel count. Okay, so TGA 2 pixel data format. So this is the TGA data 2. Interesting. So maybe this is the way the memory works. Over here is different. And we can go ahead and look into kind of what's happening when it comes to reading these types of pixel datas. Hey, young dev. I'm trying to kind of go through a machine code interview that I failed, and I'm going to be trying to remake the C++ project for a game company that I was working with. If you want to join in, go ahead anytime. If you want to kind of figure out what's going on. So the way we have to kind of read data was, so the way I kind of implemented it, the read data was slow. My, of course, blurring algorithm was all right, fast enough. I came up to a linear speed blurring algorithm, but of course the way I was implementing it could have been a bit more memory efficient, and of course if you got 16-bit word array. So I think the clue should have been over here. It's a 16-bit word array. So rather than me kind of, as we will see, going one by one over each pixel, trying to create a pixel input, pixel output, pixel input, pixel, like, oh, go over this pixel one by one, and just trying to traverse through the data rather than once and for all telling the file, whatever the open file is, just take the open file stream path and go all over it. So we're going to see if that kind of fixes things. We will try to thread this data, even though I do not really know threading. We're going to learn on the go and figure this out. I just want to make sure like my Discord is using the correct mic. Imagine it's using a shitty mic and fucking around for a bit. Yeah, I think it's using the shitty mic. I'm gonna switch to the better one. Hopefully this is a better one. Yep, this should be good. This should absolutely be good. Anyway, oops, I closed Discord. I like this. I want to keep Discord open because if somebody comes in who can actually give me good advice, I would love that. I would absolutely fucking love that. Even though I'm doing this on my own. All right, so let's go ahead and actually kind of start making it those things in. So I'm gonna start with cmake-g, right? Yes, cmake. Oh, do I have the code already? I think I have the code already. So we're gonna do cmake. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a mkdir. Was that the correct code? Make directory build cd build. We're gonna do cmake. Is a cmake up there? Oh shit. Did I? I hate my fucking thing. It should go over here. Wait, why isn't my audio going to the correct device? I think I'm echoing in Discord again. Oh yeah, there we go.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going? Lex? Wait, who said that? I'm hoping I could hear you. Uh, sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly do a cmake dash
You
g.
did in the C++, you?
I beg your pardon?
Huh?
What did you say? What did you say?
C++?
Uh-huh.
C++. With CMake in the coding the game, no?
Yeah, so basically, this was what I'm doing right now is actually I had a interview. I had a machine code interview with a game company, pretty big one in the EU, and they'd given me a machine code. I kind of failed it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the machine code again with the interview again, and I'm gonna try and fix the code up for that interview and what they made me do, and the kind of like I think the kind of things they want to test from me. They did not give me an exact thing wrong with what I did wrong, but also was kind of my mistake because one, I applied for a senior dev position. I was coding most of this on the Mac. I was using C Lion on Mac. The CLang compiler over there, of course, usually like automatically adds a few headers which you might be missing during build time because it was not on strict mode, and I'm pretty sure the code did not run for them. I kind of made those fixes yesterday about what those missing header files were, so I just added those header files. So I'm right now just taking the CMake test list. I'm gonna go through the whole program. I'm gonna just compile the CMake text list that I had created for this particular program. Gonna go over each of the kind of things which were coding related that I've missed, that I did wrong, and I'm gonna fix them. Basically, that's what I'm kind of doing right now. And I failed.
Sorry, but I'm French. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Oh yeah.
Because j'ai rien compris, quoi.
Oh, sorry. I will speak a bit more slowly. Where from France are you?
Lyon.
Oh, Lyon. Oh, nice. South, bit south of France. Nice. I think that's a bit southern of France. One of my friend is also from there. Okay. Do I remember the? I keep forgetting the CMake uh, command. I don't know why. Have you worked with CMake before? Do you do Unreal or do you do Visual? Do you do Unity?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm use comment ça s'appelle? Game Maker.
Oh, game maker. That's nice. You designer or you programmer?
Programmer.
Nice,
So,
nice.
I'm not a programmer confirmé. Quoi.
Okay, you.
I'm a programmer banger. Comment?
Sorry, I beg your
Nul.
pardon.
Bambi, quoi. Nul.
All right. Cool. So we'll just go. What was the? Yeah, there we go. Make file dot bat. If I remember, it was here. Yeah, I'm doing it correct. Oh, I forgot to add 2022.
I'm new to dev game.
Oh, cool. I think we can learn together then because I actually have 3 years of experience. I have worked with two companies. One of them allowed me to get the official Unreal source code and help do fixes for the Unreal game engine. And I also got to do with Ubisoft a bit, where I worked as a developer for Just Dance to port their games to I think it was Nintendo, and I think it was for Nintendo and PlayStation. Yeah, I was the lead for the PlayStation one, right? Yeah, I was the lead for the PlayStation one. I'm so sorry. I have not. I am. Yeah. So that's what I used to do. So I'm gonna wait. Was it start or open here? STRT start. Oh, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly open here. I'm gonna show you the code. You tell me what you think about it. Have you ever worked with C++? Because I think Game Maker is C sharp, right?
No, Game Maker, it's not C Sharp.
It is. Then what is it?
There are visual coding
Oh.
on the derivatives, the Python
Oh, so it's
or
which?
Java.
Oh,
Uh,
Java. Oh,
Java
Java.
or Python. But I'm use uh, visual coding because it's very simple.
All right, makes sense.
For
You might want to move away from visual coding at some point because at runtime levels it can be really, really bad. It takes a lot of generated code, which can sometimes take a lot of things. But at a game maker, I think game maker kind of already knows that and works with that. Never really worked with game maker before, but I think we can easily point this out. Um, so I'm gonna tell you what this project about, and I want to say let's try and work with this. If you're a visual programmer, how would you kind of create this? So I'm not allowed to use any external file systems for this, or not external file systems. I mean, any additional libraries for this. I'm only allowed to use pure C++ when it comes to this particular project. The idea is and the project only does three things. It takes an argument. It takes two arguments, which will be so I'm going to quickly build it just to make sure everything's working, to be honest. 1 second. So I'm going to quickly build it.
You use Unreal Engine?
I use what?
Unreal Engine.
I use both. I use Unreal and Unity. So I will be doing Unreal later on in the
Unity.
week.
Okay.
So I mostly am familiar with Unity, but I write a lot of C++ code.
So you dev in the C#.
Yeah. No, this is
Yeah.
this is C++ though. This is C++ though. So I usually do C#, but yeah, this is C++.
In the Unity, donc the code the langage, le langage is C#, is not C++.
Yes, I know it's not C++, but when I used to work with PlayStation and Nintendo, a lot of their code would not be exactly written in C sharp. It will not directly correlate to C sharp. So what I would have to do is I would have to take their C++ code, marshal them into DLL files, and then make it available to C sharp. And that's why we would kind of use over there. And also, again, for my first job, I used to work on the Unreal Engine part of things. So in the engine side, even though we were just doing small things, I was not allowed to really take up big features or things like that. Whenever we write tests or something, it would be mostly C sharp, but whenever we want to do fixes, it would be a bit more C++. Does that make sense?
I'm Anderson.
Okay. You understand? But
Pas compris, quoi.
okay. So I'm gonna right now just make a test bed for testing what, like how much memory it uses, how much memory, and how much. So what I did not do. So this was again as a test for a programmer, from a company that was given to me, and I've just marked out whatever they wanted me to do. Oops, Control C. And I'm gonna go ahead and one by one. So the above requirement was, of course, just to make sure you can take these and give me an output, which makes sense, right? Just blur the program. All right. So I'm supposed to send this information. Okay, so let's just start by making sure that our debugger can send this information in, which I don't know how to do actually. So I'm gonna go to properties. I'm gonna go to debugging maybe.
And you speak French?
Nah, I don't. I wanted to learn.
Oh.
I wanted to learn. Don't get me wrong. I all I know is comment ça va.
Oh, ouais.
Comment ça va? I know. What else do I know? I knew a few words. Bonjour, bonsoir.
La baguette.
Baguette. Croissant. Croissant.
Oh,
Croissant.
yes, it's good.
Croissant.
You have a beautiful accent for the England because I am bored with my class, my class in the England for the road trip scolaire.
Okay.
So I'm comment dire? Wait, attends.
Okay. I'm waiting a minute. Don't worry. Take your time. Take your time. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna try and get the command line arguments that I want. While I try to figure out how to get the command line arguments that I want, so we can do CPP. Oops, TPP. Image compression dash S would be. No, that's not what I want.
I was in host family near London.
What family?
No, in family, yes, it's a family d'accueil. Je sais pas comment dire. Ah, attends.
Okay. I'm sorry, I don't understand that part. Do
Ok.
you mind telling me again?
Genre, famille, famille d'accueil, quoi. Genre, family in Angleterre, in the family, but it's not my family. It's a
Oh.
family for the people. It's not me because for the money.
Oh. Okay, I get basic. I get a little bit. I get a little bit of what you're saying. It's something regarding they're your family, but not a family for your money. Money. That's what I heard.
Yes, because because ça rapporte beaucoup, quoi.
Oh. Okay. Cool.
Attends.
I
Il
have.
te paye off a lot. Il te paye off a lot.
Oh, you need to pay off a lot.
Money, bam, bam.
Oh, for what? For doing what? What do you need to pay off a lot? For what do you need to pay off a lot?
Ouais, donc no. I don't understand, I don't know.
Oh.
Ouais, j'ai pas compris.
Oh. Okay. Cool. Cool. Oh, I don't want all bells. 1 second. I'm just gonna set something up as a starter project. Um, do you think you will be what do you call this? What happened?
Tac. Je vais essayer de faire ça.
Ugh, what happened?
Et
Tools
fait...
option.
Oh non.
What is this? I'm sorry. Wow. Oh, there are more people here. Nice. Wait. What am I doing wrong? I did add the arguments correctly. I think. No, this is start a project. I don't care. Then we have. My God.
Ok.
What are you working on right now, Lex?
I don't working. I'm stick. I'm malade. I'm a stick.
Oh.
Stick. No, no glue. No glue. Stick. Stick quoi. Malade.
Oh.
What's going on?
Oh. Basically, I'm basically working on a machine code interview that was given to me by a gaming company. At one point, I completely fucked it up. I'm just trying to fix it up, and as I'm trying to fix it up, I'm trying to get as much input as possible. This is irritating a little bit because when I wrote the machine code interview, I wrote it in C line in Mac, and it turns out that a lot of things does not translate well on the Windows side of things when it comes to startup projects. So I'm trying to fix it, and then so that I can actually start making actual changes. So like right now, it's like, oh, this does not work because compression.exe is with some random code, which makes no sense. I don't know what's it doing, to be honest.
Oh,
So yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. Oh wait, there we go. No, never mind. I was wrong. It does not. It's saying invalid arguments. Why is it saying invalid arguments? Huh. CPP compression dash S source destination invalid arguments passed. What did I? How am I passing invalid arguments? Uh, have you ever worked with console in this case normal console stuff before?
me? No.
Oh, it's sending it to. Oh, is it sending it to .cb file? 1 second. I think I know what's it doing. Is it being dumb? I think it's being dumb. No. Nope, it's just saying invalid arguments. So
I'm really curious of since you're speaking of consoles, right?
yeah.
I vaguely remember there's some kind of platformer game engine or something on the PS4 or 5 or something.
Oh, no, this is not that console, but I've worked on that console. Platformer game engine. Do you mean engine or the game?
Oh, I remember it now. I think it was called Dreams or something.
Dreams engine. Never heard of that. Never heard of that engine. I've worked directly with C++ code, but C++ stuff.
Let me see.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. I was just going to say, let me see if I can find a link for it.
yeah, sure, go ahead. Did I forget to put? It's because I didn't. No, dash B should be 0.5 though. 0.5. Command. Is it because? What's it doing wrong? I wish I could see the arguments it's passing. It says CPP image compression, invalid arguments passed. You know what? Let's just see the arguments that it got.
I apologize for sending you a IGN review. But
how dare you? How fucking dare you? You sent me an IGN review. God damn it, let's look at it. How you making me give them AdSense revenue.
This idea could be anything. It could be.
Oh, Little Big Planet's engine. Oh, right. I don't think they've got this anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think so. No, I have. No, I've worked more. Is it? I mean, there must be residue code from it, but I don't think they're using this engine anymore. We don't, and also I don't think we get access to the Dream engine when we get PlayStation code. At least not that I had seen it on the PlayStation dev forms. I'm not sure if I'm breaking any NDA here. That would be fucking crazy because I'm also streaming on YouTube and imagine that. But yeah, when I was working on the PlayStation stuff, we would just get access to the C++ code. They just assume that you will have the engine most probably, and you needed their toolchain. So they would give you access to the development pipeline toolchain, which will actually connect to Visual Studio, or of course, if you're working with Unreal Engine, it will just be like a plugin into Unreal Engine, plug and play with Unity Engine. I did get access to the Unity Engine side of things, and PlayStation is hell to kind of compile. But yeah, I don't think they've got any more access to the Dream Engine. Let me just again run it more.
The idea could be.
Musician, you're on the gap tutorials rather than them being some tiresome chores as they can often be. In order to battle those inner and outer,
is this
beautifully brought to life?
Review Dreams? Isn't this a game though?
Wait a second.
When starting up Dreams for the first time, you'd be forgiven for not. After a short string of important tutorials.
No, like it's like you can develop stuff with it, type of thing, like on a
PlayStation. Oh yeah. Wow. Nah, I've never played this before. This is a game I've never played it before. This is
it's.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
Go on. Sorry, I'm cutting you off.
I was just gonna say like you can buy the game or something and develop or design with it. And I was just wondering,
isn't this something like Roblox does?
Probably. Like I was just like, but like I think this engine specializes for like platformers or whatever. At least like from what I've seen. Like it's easiest to make a platformer with.
Oh, of course. I mean, that's for sure. Platformers will be the most easiest in the end of the day because, um, like, how do I say this? Okay, perfect. So the platformers will be the easiest because again, it's built on the idea that okay, I'm gonna make a platformer. So the platform, like the game, is a platformer, and you can just you're gonna make tools around platforming, for the designers. So if you can do that and you can put that into your actual game, then it'll be best for platforming because in the end of the day, you will require specialized tools. So a lot of people don't realize this, but Unity or Unreal are still very bare bones. If you're trying to build a big game, it'll give you like all the things that you need to kind of rapidly develop. It's like if you're a web developer and you get hands on React. React will give you the tools to make you develop things faster, things that are going to be common. But if you really want to actually develop and put the game, but you have to put a 3-year exercise in still, because you need to make tools that are going to be very specific for your game, tools that are going to be very, 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 very straight, like very, very connected to your game. Like when I was working with Just Dance, right? I was also with the UI side of stuff, and the main team. Again, I'm just a junior. You cannot expect me to actually build crazy, crazy, crazy things. They had a tool for the UI stuff. Because they wanted to make sure that they could have a yearly release still, they could still have a lot of things going on. So that they could do a lot more iterative development. So this required your UI to be asynchronous. This required for your UI to also be designer friendly because most people only know web development or web designing. So it has to be able to incorporate CSS and stuff like that. We got very lucky over there because Unity has the new XML feature, which would allow us to do that. So we had our own graphics, like we know how shader graphs work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we basically took the shader graphs backend and made it like our UI backend, which would basically allow us to connect different parts of the UI based on the button available on that particular thing. Even though we had like a button in the thing, we had to of course create our own generic buttons, which would be JD buttons, which would extend from the main button so that we can go ahead and tell the shader graphs, the framework that is used to create shader graph. We kind of took that and kind of created our own stuff, and we can tell the designers to kind of put it all together. And then of course a developer would come in and make sure all the bespoke actions or whatever is happening in the page will be kind of things. So like I think it'll be very similar to that. It's like the dream reviewer just giving access to the like that kind of tools to the developer. It's like it's like it's like having a good modding community. That's how it's kind of gonna be. Oh, by the way, what do you usually work on? What do you usually work on? Do you work on Unreal or Unity?
I've been messing around with Unity basically.
All right, you new to Unity?
I wouldn't say that I'm new to it, but
Okay.
like I've just been like working on stuff for a while. I don't really have an extreme amount to show for it though.
Oh, don't worry. I think we both will be on the same page on that. Would you be comfortable with C++?
Would I be comfortable with C++?
Yeah.
I'm not exactly a fan of C++.
Why's that?
So in the past,
Yeah.
I was exposed to C++ for like, so my programming journey was like Java in school, or actually Pascal before that,
Okay.
and then Java in school, and then when I left, I just felt like I didn't really learn very much from like the classes. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let me see what I can do. And then I did some research and realized Java isn't really like I guess industry standard for like game development. It's typically like C++ or whatever. And so I'm like, okay, well, if I'm going to be serious, I guess I better learn C++. So I got effective C++ and more effective C++ by I think Hub Sutter or something. I don't remember their name exactly.
That
It's
sounds
like
like a horrible way to kind of work with it, but go on. Hub stutter.
I don't remember the name. Like, yeah, it was probably Hub Stutter, but or Hub Sutter or something. I don't know. But yeah, I was reading through the books and they were answering like a lot of questions that like I had that weren't really elaborated on. Like I don't really blame the teachers or whatever. Like we also had a short amount of time to like learn and stuff, and I was like struggling with like some basic concepts. Like I was kind of getting things like half through the way or like
Oh,
piecemeal or whatever.
that's disappointing.
And then like later on I was like, oh, you know what, like I want to learn like more like through a practical means, and so I'm like, all right, I want to try like game development. And then I started doing like research on like papers on the internet on like how to make like a game loop or something.
Okay.
And so I was like, okay, yeah, let me try to do that. And then I think I used WX widgets first, or no, I think I tried like various C++ like things. I tried what's up, Fireburst. I tried like various things. I tried I think Qt engine and then like WX widgets, and then I didn't really have very much success with those. Then I went to FreeGlut, which was actually like really helped me learn about 3D space. And then I realized something. I'm like, I'm really doing things the hard way, aren't I? Like there's got to be an easier way, at least by this point. And
Yeah.
so, and then I learned about Unity engine. Like someone told me, yeah, you should use Unity. I'm like, oh, well, what does that use? And then they said use a C#, but you can also use C++ and Boo. And I was like, oh, okay.
Boo? Wait, what the fuck is Boo?
This was I forgot when this was specifically. I think maybe Unity 5 era.
Oh yeah.
But before they went strictly C++ or sorry, C#,
Yeah.
it was
Java. I
C#,
remember Java.
JavaScript.
Sorry, JavaScript. Yeah.
And then they said, oh, that's right. That's what I remember. It was C#, JavaScript, and then Boo. But they said that Boo is very C++ like, and I'm like, you know what? I'm kind of burnt down on C++. And then I started using C#, and I'm like, wait a second. This reminds me of Java and C++ put together. It's like a workflow improvement.
Yep.
And so I really like C#, and still even to this day I like it. It feels like it has like the power of C++ when you need it, and then
No.
the workflow improvement a bit like above like what Java was trying to accomplish.
You're kind of correct, kind of wrong with that. I would never say like C++ is better than C# in any way. Of course, you need the right tool for the right job, and yeah,
I think you meant that the other way around.
right tool for the right job. You just need the right
No.
tool for the.
No. When you said you would never say C++ is better than C#, but I think like
No. I'm a C++. I'm a guy who's whose first language that he learned was C++. I was kind of forced into C# and ended up being really good with C#. Only because like that was my day-to-day kind of workflow. Of course, I would still be itching for C++ in the background, so I would do a lot of C++ projects. So so you could still call me a C++ weeaboo, if that's I think that's the best way to fucking put it. Yeah, and I'm just basically that's what I'm kind of working towards right now to kind of become a better C++ programmer. Because I know quite a bit when it comes to like, of course, Unity game engine. So that's what I'm kind of be later on in the week jumping into Unreal as well. So that's why I would never say like C++ is better than C#. The reason also because theoretically C++, especially in its current level, is going to be better than C#. Not only in terms of runtime, but also the kind of things that it offers. Only thing is like you have a few quality of life things which are better when it comes to C#. But when it comes to like if you want to really code something that is fast, that is something that can allow you to kind of basically make these narrow performance upgrades, you will always go back to C++. And if you're like me, who's a big fuck up, C++ is gonna like this is what C++ is gonna result into. Where am I? There we go. So if you notice, like I'm literally just doing one task. I'm trying to read an image, blur the image, and write the image, and each of them are taking 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 6 seconds. And now I'm here trying to figure out how to make all of these three things faster. And in C#, I'm not sure if you'll have an idea on the first go how to do it, because it'll just automatically spoon feed it for you in most possible situations. Does that make sense? I'm not sure.
I mean, isn't that what like dipping into unmanaged code is for?
Um, no, not really, because unmanaged code you would never really go into C sharp, not like until unless you really need to. Because on the surface area, if you're going into unmanaged code, something's either really gone wrong, or you're really trying to do memory management. Memory management where you're basically trying to control the lifetime of an object that you've created over the heap, or you're trying to basically marshal something into another library, like another library, which will be your like another languages library. I would never suggest a C sharp programmer to kind of work with unmanaged code as much as possible, only because again, this is just my opinion right now. Because again, I've just got 3 years of experience. I don't have much. When it comes to this stuff, it's because like you don't want dangling pointers in C sharp, if that makes sense. You do not ever want to hear those words. As a possibility in C sharp, because that's the whole point of the CLR. The runtime library is just that's gonna be horrible. Why is this being a pain in the ass? I don't know why is this being a pain in the ass. So wait, you use Visual Studio for your C sharp stuff, or do you use Rider?
Visual Studio Community.
Could you help me out? I'm not able to figure out why the command line argument's not going correctly.
Unfortunately, I don't think I can help you with that. I just use it because it's like, oh, if you want to use like a whatever editor, you can use Visual Studio Community or Visual Studio Code. And I was figured I'll just use Visual Studio Community. I don't really like dig too deep into it. So I'm sorry, I can't help you.
No worries, no worries. Yeah, the source.com, the rsc.com. That's insane. Why is this being such a bitch? What happened to our green? Yeah, it says arc counts are 1. Why is there an arc count of 1? They should be at a 0. Or that's weird. Is it because... Wait. Hold the fucking phone. What's the arc count when I... Configuration. Oh, fuck me. I hate... Visual Studio can be a pain in the ass sometimes. Because
What's the code for?
I was given a machine code interview, which I absolutely failed. I'm trying to fix it. So this was from a gaming company, and I was trying to. So the idea is you have to take a TGA file, read the TGA file, blur the TGA file, and output the TGA file. You're not allowed any external libraries. It has to be pure C++, baby.
Fun.
Yeah, absolutely. I screwed it up, so. Why can I not get a debug options? Please give me debug options. Okay, I didn't mean this debug options. I didn't mean this one. Why isn't the solution going to properties? Where did the solution properties go? What the fuck is going on? Oh, where are the solution stuff?
So I guess I get it right if you like a Unity guy, right?
Yeah, you can ask me anything when it comes to Unity for sure.
That's really good because of like I'm also Unity,
Huh?
and I also work with Unity.
Sorry, I could not hear you for a second. My thing muted for a second. Can you repeat?
I also work with Unity.
Oh, so you also work with Unity?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. 1 second, I switch my device.
Why is
Are
that?
you guys working on any games?
Huh?
You guys working on any games?
Right now I'm working on a tool rather than games. But yeah, and in turn, wait, I'm working on trying to a couple of things actually. I'm trying to work on an engine. Later on in the week, I will be working on Unreal as well, trying to figure out what I can do with like make a game with Unreal, and then work my way forward from there. What you think?
Can you hear me?
That looks pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can. It's a bit muffled, but yeah, we can hear you.
All right. Yeah, it's like this device has like better like the network card of my other device is like broken, so like this device has some better network
Ah,
card.
that's nice. What you working on, my boy? What?
Sorry,
What?
me or the other guy?
What? Or both of you, whoever feels like talking.
Oh, okay. Right now, like I will work on a little gacha game on Unity for like a mobile.
Good.
Before I did 7 VR games in the last 4 years. But then, maybe some of you guys saw the big VR crash.
Oh, do you want to show me the VR crash? I can maybe help you out.
Nah, VR crash, the big VR crash.
All right. Yeah, the big VR crash. Like people are no longer buying VR stuff. Yeah.
Like literally 120,000 people get like unemployed in Silicon Valley over this. Like Google, Amazon, Facebook, they kicked out like hundreds of thousands of employees.
Yeah. Uh.
It's really annoying. It's so annoying because I literally was able to get in contact with the Meta Facebook
Oh.
VR development team, okay?
Yeah.
And then the whole team is gone.
I feel you. I fucking feel. I was applying for Meta as well. I was like, I feel like I'm a good fit for this role. I've done a little bit of year before. I'm also got 3 years of experience. I mean, I don't mind taking this as a graduate. It'll be cool, but they're like, nah, what the hell? And I'm like, and the team's gone. The team's fucking
Yes.
gone. Yeah, I know
Yeah.
how that is. I know.
Yeah, exactly. Like the big companies, the tech companies get the first big hit in the belly, ever. Like bam and down.
Yeah. No, this is the first time even the gaming industry went to shit, and it's fine.
Yeah.
You get some, you win some, you lose some. It's all right. I'll have to be all right with it. We've got no other options. We've got no other options there, my boy.
Yeah. So I switched from VR like to mobile now.
Yeah, I think mobile is one good way to keep it. I still want to kind of do more console stuff, because I
Yes.
think like in the end of the day, like mobile and console are gonna be basically the same thing. Um,
Depends on, yeah. I don't want to do this hardcore shiny gacha games, but a bit. But in a charming and fair way. Like I still want to do good games,
okay.
So don't want to do trash games.
I feel you. I
Sorry, I'm a
feel you.
bit sick.
Me too. Me too.
Yeah. So, but at the end, what I do right now is, Monkey Ball, Super Monkey Ball.
Yeah, I love Super Monkey Boy. I love Super.
So I do literally Super Monkey Ball with little gacha animals. Like, did you know this Japanese vending machines with the balls?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the game. Like you like put money, like the digital, not money. You put coins in this vending machine, then you get a gacha ball with a little cute animal.
Okay.
This animal has its own abilities,
All right.
and then you can play like monkey ball with it.
Oh, dude, that sounds fun. That sounds fun, but that's like a physical application though. So that means you'll be working on physical stuff more than a game engine. Like it'll be like a board game kind of a situation, won't it?
Yeah. It's a bit physics based, correct. And I also do like a little retro approach. Like at some point I get as an indie dev, I guess we have to do like stylized art
Okay.
for the sake of your own sanity, because of when I did realistic art,
Okay.
I worked like, let's say, 4 months on one creature. Then it's hyper realistic, but in 3 months I can do a whole game, man.
That's cool. 3 months the whole game. That sounds horrible.
Yeah, I just like turned down the how you call it. I cut everything out what's too complicated, you know. I make like, we call it MVP, you know, minimal viable product.
Minimal
Like,
viable product. Yeah, we do. Yeah, minimal
yeah.
viable products are usually a good idea to keep doing things. I completely
Yeah,
understand
but
that.
what this mean is like interesting. I always think, oh, I have to no, you don't. You can cut more, you know.
Yeah,
You
just
can cut even more.
oh my god, my man's becoming a business major from a game developer. Just cut everything.
No, but yeah, like what you really need, the necessary thing, you know. That's at the end I could say, I guess I get extreme in this direction because of the game I did before took 10 years.
Oh yeah, that can be a fucking yeah.
And I don't want to do like I release one game minimum each year at least because of like
I
I
mean,
need this. I need,
that's kind of how you start because you kind of learn from those mistakes and learn from those stuff.
yes.
Yeah, so you kind of have to kind of like learn from that shit. So
Yeah.
oh, I am a dumbass, aren't I? I was in
Where
the
are you?
I'm trying to debug a program and I'm trying to set command line arguments to it. And in Visual Studio, it turns out for some reason it keeps the profile for default as release. So I was adding the command line arguments on the release profile rather than the debug profile, and therefore it's not getting those arguments. And I mean, it still seems something is wrong. It'll still go wrong, but let's see. Let's see what the fuck goes happen. Well, let's apply this and see. Let's see what we get.
You know what
Maybe.
I do in Unity all the time?
Sorry.
I beg your pardon?
Go
Okay,
ahead.
go ahead.
2, 4, 6. It should have 6 arguments, not 7.
So are you work right now in Unity or what are you doing right now?
So I was given. So basically, as everybody's shifting to Unreal, they want to make sure everybody can code in C++. So a couple of companies had given me some machine code rounds, for doing C++ stuff, and I absolutely fucked them up. So what I'm doing is I'm going through this old machine code rounds, and I'm trying to fix the code to figure out what I did right, what I did wrong, because I usually don't get any more feedback from them. So right now I'm just trying to set up the project so I can actually start fixing shit because I want to also diagnose memory and performance because those are the two things they care about when you're actually doing a C++ application.
Like this classic situation. Customer comes, I want this. Never never hear back.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
I mean, again, it was just a bit different in this case. It was just wait, I think it worked.
So you employed in game dev industry, or you have your own little business, or what?
So I used to be employed. I recently what do you call this? I had gone for my master's in computer sciences because I just did not want to be
Yeah.
only a game developer. Usually game developers get stuck in that zone.
Yeah.
So I wanted to, but I came back and I'm looking for opportunities now. So basically, I'm not being able to find too many. And every time, like, I would,
Wow.
yeah.
In computer science, you have endless opportunities.
Yeah, you would
Endless.
think so. You would think so, but because people see my CV and they're
I
like, "He's the
know it.
game
I
developer."
had to do computer science.
Yeah, yeah. They just see like, "Oh, he's the game developer for 3 years. Do we really take him?" And I was like, "What's wrong with that? I don't know. I just I think I'm just a shit."
No, in game dev you have limited opportunities, but as computer scientist programmer,
Yeah,
like the world is open for you, man. The people like worship you. You get in any fucking business at the freaking world job. Walmart needs some programmer. Each shop you ever now need programmer today. They have like this like the cashier system, everything full automated. Each library, whatever, you get the job in programming. 100,000%.
True that. True that for sure. I mean, probably. Let's
Yeah,
see.
for
Let's see. I don't know. I've not had the opportunity to work with with a Walmart yet, but let's see. Let's see
Yeah,
for
for
sure.
example, like I get like 5 times a year people want to employ me, like out of the nothing.
That's good for you. That's really good. That's absolutely
It's
good.
good. But I don't want the jobs. I don't want the jobs they offer, but yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
Oh.
I just say as programmer you're able to you can do whatever you want, okay?
I mean, let's see. Let's hope so. I'm hoping so that we can at some point. I can probably get something, but let's see. I'm not sure right now. We'll see. I'm right now only trying to work on making myself as a better programmer, and then
Yeah.
I'll move forward. That's the best thing that I can kind of
Yeah,
do.
just encourage all you guys.
Yeah.
In programming, in game dev, it's a hobby thing, and maybe you get some success, of course, but in programming at all, you have like endless opportunities. You have just go for it, man. Like,
True.
yeah.
Mm.
Game dev is a bit more complicated, I have to admit.
Okay, makes sense.
I mean, like to get employed there, it's also like as programmer maybe better than as artist. As artist, you like.
Oh,
have to
shut
recruit.
up! No, I'm not on the same page as you. Nobody's better over here, okay? Or if we're anything better, like as workers, we're just better as like if anybody's useless, it's gonna be a CEO. It's not gonna be the programmer. Again, you cannot be saying artists are not better. Yeah, that's not. Hey, you can say whatever the hell you want.
I just say artists don't get so easy jobs because they have too much of them.
Maybe.
Yeah. And it's like the least paid job in the game dev industry, besides QA is
Yeah.
like artist. Is artist.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. But it's only when you get employed. If you do your own company, you can get whatever you want, right?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Let's actually, you know what? I'm gonna do something cheeky here. I'm gonna.
So did you work on a game right now or what?
No, I'm just working on a machine code interview. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on wrong, so I'm just gonna fix that and gonna work our way forward.
Yeah, just say, but like to do, for example, I found my own company like 5 years ago or something, okay?
Okay.
And I have to say that's also a hardcore ride, okay? That's not funny. It's like, it's really insane. And it's like, have a heavy burnout potential,
Okay.
Yeah. But if you're in programming, then you're definitely on the right path.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Hello.
Pretty good. How are you guys?
Not bad. Just trying to figure things out. Something seems to be going absolutely wrong with my code, and I'm trying to figure out what's happening. Even though in command line it works perfectly.
I just try to keep my sanity, go through winter depressions, and
Where are you from?
I am.
Yeah, where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Germany. Nice.
Germany.
Good for you,
Hello.
man. Good for you.
I guess so.
Guess someone has never been to Germany.
Hey. Man, I've only heard
Hey,
good
it's good.
shit. I've
it's good,
heard only good things, man. I'm sorry. I've heard only good things.
Seems like you haven't heard a lot.
That might be
Nah,
true.
like
That might be true.
missing the moon, right? I mean, I guess I know what you mean, but like if you really take a look at the world, like Europe
Yeah.
is like
Yeah.
God mode,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
We can't complain, but we can't complain, like.
Oh, you can complain. As a German, it's your God-given right to complain.
Oh.
Yeah, but I mean, we can't complain because of like we're like literally in one of the best positions in the world. So what the fuck?
No, we still are allowed to complain because God gave us that right.
Where are you from,
Yeah,
mate?
yeah.
I'm living in Japan right now, but I'm from Germany.
Oh my god.
So I know
I
that
mean,
Germany is
Japan
very good,
test
but
is
I also
also
know that
good.
there's better places.
Yeah, like in Europe, there's better places, but else in the world, no.
No, in
Maybe.
Europe, no, fuck Europe.
Fuck Europe.
Scandinavia, maybe.
Scandinavia's good. Scandinavia's good.
Estonia is
No, their
nice.
food is
Scandinavia is
terrible.
nice.
Okay, hey, that's where you have immigration.
Except the thing that you do 3 times a day. Yeah, like, it's okay.
So, okay, I have a question. Which place is, in your opinion, better than Europe?
Japan.
Oh, go fuck yourself. That's the capitalist.
Did you have in Japan free healthcare?
Huh?
Oh yeah, dude.
Did you have free healthcare
I
in
think they
Japan?
do, right? I think they
Bro,
do.
we don't have free healthcare in Europe either.
You do.
Yeah, I know, but have you?
Okay, okay.
have you-
Let's rephrase that. Let's rephrase that. You have nationalized healthcare.
Okay, fair
Yes.
enough. We do. But
Yeah.
in Japan, we do too.
Yeah,
Good. Okay, that's good.
but that's still
Oh,
it's
you were
still a
actually
capitalist.
asking. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm confused. Okay.
Yeah.
What's about as a foreigner? You have maybe. So I heard at least more trouble to get into society in Japan. So what's about that?
Hey, suicide rate is high for a reason. Let's
God.
be honest.
Okay, I'm sorry. Does anybody know Visual Studio at all? Can somebody help me with this stupid ass program?
I do a bit once.
Visual Studio. That's a good thing, man.
Yeah, but I'm not able to figure out why it's not taking the correct argument. So like, if I'm doing with this via normal command line, it just fucking works. All right. If I 1 second, yeah, if I just do this, usually if I run via like the normal command line, which is here, and if I just go ahead and just run the sample, hey, oh up, wow, I just made a fool out of myself, didn't I? What just happened? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Did it work as soon as you wanted to show others that it didn't work? I hate it when that happens, but
No,
also.
wait.
that's
Wait.
good. How you call this
Hold on. I got this. CPP.exe.
Showcase effect.
What's wrong?
You know?
Invalid argument. Why is it saying invalid argument? That's the.
Last time someone here in stream started the game of my,
0.5.
and then like.
Oh, because I
that's
compiled
crazy.
it. Oh, okay, I'm so sorry. Wait. Let me just rebuild it. Let me just rebuild it. Wait, I know what I did wrong. I said rebuild. Don't. Fuck. Can you just.
So missing the moment. Did you have in game or something? I don't know.
Do I have a game?
Yes.
I'm working on one.
That's cool.
Okay, here we go.
What's it about?
Did you already release
Now
one
it
or-
works.
Do you fix it?
No, it works on command line. It still doesn't work like when I try to debug it via Visual Studio. It's just being a bitch because if I don't do it via Visual Studio, it'll be a pain in the ass for me because I cannot then check how can I'm optimized memory. I'm trying to figure out how to kind of it should be as simple as actually just copying this and going into solution properties. I guess we're not going to solution properties. Project properties, debugging, and we should be able to add like just paste it here, and it should just work. But it's saying there is I don't know, either there's an additional argument which is stupid or something. It's not being useful. Like I don't know. It's just being an absolute bitch about it. I don't know if it's just a dash H.
So missing. What's your game about?
Do you know Pikmin?
Of course, I love it.
So it's basically you have a robot army. Like in Pikmin, you're playing real-time strategy. So you go around with them and farm things, bring it to your base, build more robots, and then at night you get attacked. So you try to survive, make your base stronger, go out, get more resources, and repeat.
Okay, is it 2D, 3D?
2D, top down.
Top down. Okay, all right. Interesting. So for example, you live in Japan. Did this change anything through your game, like art-wise, or?
Nah, I didn't change anything.
I just say could be because of like maybe the influence or inspiration that you got there is maybe different, I guess.
It would if I would be an artist, but I'm not a good artist, so not really. Especially because I don't know if you should click on my name and then like see the game. It's like it's very very simplistic, so I don't really know how to.
Understood.
Yeah,
Understood.
It looks pretty good.
thank you.
At least you could like how you call it, the Japanese quality standards of games. Maybe this could inspire you.
What do you mean?
Oh shit! I mean, like Japanese games are high-end quality standard
That's true.
because of like their work ethics and everything.
Japanese
crazy.
work ethics is crazy. That's why I say like it's very weird because like I don't know much.
I now know what you mean with simplistic. So okay,
Yeah.
okay, easy.
Oh, wait, what did he
Let's
share?
wish list it.
Hell yeah.
Wait,
first one.
where was this? Where was this? I cannot see it. Which chat is
You
this?
just click on his no, not chat. Click on his profile.
Yeah,
Then you
just
see
need to
the
click
game.
on my profile.
All right.
It's very easy
Yeah.
to stalk me.
Oh, just wish list it, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
itch.io. That's nice.
No. That's like his game is on Steam, but thanks that you check my game.
Huh. Nice.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Yeah.
Uh,
Maybe I will playtest it. Let's see. Right now.
let's playtest it. Go
Cool.
ahead, playtest that shit.
Yeah. You have a demo like Moon.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's
I
test
do have a
this.
new one if you want to try out the new one, but I gotta send you a link if you're comfortable with that.
Send it over.
Because it makes like it's kind of weird, but it makes more sense to test a new thing than the older thing. You got Windows, right?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Okay.
The times when I like stick to Linux is like done, man. I was 3 years working totally on Linux. I'm done with that.
Linux is painful.
It's pain. It's really pain. I mean, it has some. I mean, the pros, like the cons, are more than the pros, right?
Yeah. The pros
Yeah,
are really good,
it's
but
like
it's like it's oof.
yes, even with what they call visual or Windows-esque OSs, right? Like Ubuntu or Debian or whatever.
Hmm.
Even they like pain in the ass. Oh my.
Does anyone know Steam multiplayer by chance?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you
How
get the
to
link?
build
What
it
do
and
you mean by
everything?
that?
Okay.
I mean, depends on what you mean. Like you have how you call it, like this streaming multiplayer for local games. I forgot the name. But if you do like right now, like a 2 or 4 player game, then you just could via Steam do like online multiplayer out of the box.
Would you know
For
how to
example.
implement that by chance?
You don't have to implement that. It's like out of the box.
So if I just put my game onto Steam, it would have it?
Yes.
Oh,
But it's only like for like local multiplayer. Like for example, Mario Kart 4-player split screen game, that would work in Steam Online with like no implementation. Yeah.
I need to put mine online though, so you can
Or for
connect.
example, like did you know Gallagher? The game Gallagher?
Yeah.
So
What
you
the
have 2-player like the co-op mode, two like ships, same screen. This would also work out of the box in Steam Online. But if you want to do Counter-Strike, you need definitely server. Definitely server systems and definitely implement this manually. For example.
Yeah, how would I do
But
the
all
server system?
okay. Which engine?
Unity.
Oh wait, what do you want to do for
Okay.
Unity? Can you tell me?
Like the multiplayer, he asked. Like you could use following. You could use the mirror system. You could use ML API or Unity Network.
So you can just make it. You can just go simple route and just use Photon, right?
Yes, you can. I don't recommend Photon at all, but you
Well,
can.
because of the ECS.
What?
Because the new quantum is ECS, entity component system.
The problem is this, okay? I like my network guy, for
Yeah.
example.
Yeah.
He do networking shit for 30 years now.
Yeah.
He like warned me about stuff like, oh, if you use Photon, they just could change their subscription model, whatever, and like fuck us, you know. Literally, shortly after he said this, Unity changed their like terms of. That was good. So he's totally right. To play safe, go best case on some open source solutions or your own solutions or whatever, or like safe solutions, like for example Mirror, ML API, or like, and then we also use Amazon server, Amazon Web Services, sorry, AWS. So that we do because of AWS is not able to proc. Spotify and Netflix run on this, you know. They cannot proc this.
Okay.
They just could charge more, I guess, but yeah. We try to avoid the situation where someone changes terms of service and fuck us.
Okay.
Yeah. And Pan or like Photon is like blocked for like I guess 16 players. And I did before an MMO, so I don't need, then I'm not able to use Pan.
I only need 4 or 6.
How many you need?
4 to 6.
Okay, if you could use Pan if you do like in 4 to 6 player game. It would be maybe, I guess it's free. Like Pan is free for 4 to 16 players, yeah. But then you have no dedicated servers, only peer-to-peer, yeah.
No dedicated.
Are you familiar with these terms?
Yeah. Peer-to-peer is
Okay.
fine. It's not going to be online servers.
Okay. So then if you want to do it easy, use Pan for like up to 16 players.
Yeah, I mean,
Let's say a Mario Kart-esque game, you can use Pan.
also, like, if you're making like a small project and you're trying to just start it up and off the ground, unless you have funding, it really doesn't matter what you choose initially. You just have to make sure you can remove it if necessary once you actually become successful. If you're thinking of like, oh, I want to become successful at this project level, rather than just show it off, then I would say worry about exactly what you're using, unless just use whatever will get you up and running fastest. That's the best thing to do, because it really doesn't matter. Just you need a video, you need people to be able to play test it for a bit, and then you can fuck right off. That's the whole point. It's not really, it doesn't really matter if you're just doing a small project. Like if you're gonna overthink this shit, you're never gonna end up making it. You just want to make sure it's on the language you like, you understand the concepts, and you can move on.
Yeah, that's totally true. What we do is also like Pan is not scalable on AWS, so that's the problem for me. So I always go with, for example, Mirror on a private dedicated server. And if the project pops up, I can move it with like exact same settings over to AWS Amazon. Like then I have no work twice. Huh?
Is Mirror a good option?
Yeah, but it's more like let's call it a bit more advanced than Pan. So Pan would be the easiest solution for you.
I'm fine with doing a hard solution. I'm just looking for something good.
I give you a graph, and then you decide of your own. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is irritating.
Just like hardcore enemy of Pan, you know.
Chew that.
No, I'm okay with it. Like I say, like 4-player co-op, whatever games you could do with Pan, of course.
Would it be easier to implement items into that, or you could add your own scripts or something?
I mean, you just that's a question. Like it's like let's call it like this. You have to implement it manually to the different in any solution. So, anyways,
Fair enough.
Oh my.
here the graph. 1 sec. Oh, number 2. Where is it? Here. Okay. So I put it now to voice chat. Okay. I guess it's a really good comparison between the different solutions. I mean, there's not like any. I mean, you have more like fishnet, I guess you have, and different others. But yeah, did you see it?
Sorry.
Like in voice chat. The chat
Yeah.
named voice chat.
Oh, my bad. Yeah.
There you have some examples. Photon obviously sucks hardcore in scalability. That's a big my issue when I did like an MMO with over like 1,000 players or whatever. Then I couldn't use Photon.
If you look at the screen share, I can show you what I have so far on the game.
Wait, what?
Was it screen share?
So what's your game about?
So you're in a forest, you're in a cabin. You gotta defend yourself in that cabin from a beast in the woods. It's horror tower defense, basically.
Is it like Evolve?
So there's a monster you gotta defend
Is it like
away from.
how you call it? Dead by Daylight?
No, not like that. So you're in a house.
Okay.
You gotta like put security cameras around the house, barricade windows and everything, and try deterring the monster that's outside in the woods.
So it's like sorry if I want to like compare to stuff, but is it more like Call of Duty zombie mode?
What was that?
Is it like
Zombie
Call of Duty
mode.
Zombies mode by Call of Duty?
Oh, not really. You don't really
Okay,
kill it.
sounds like it a bit.
You gotta deter the monster.
Oh, okay. An interesting concept, but you have like it's like you're like as you defend your house.
Yeah, you defend your house.
You don't go outside, you just defend the house, right?
In daytime, you can go outside, nothing will hurt you. At nighttime, it comes and attacks you.
And how far you can go outside? Is it like an open world map or just a little circle?
It's an open world. It's a big map. You can go looking around, unlock new guns.
So did you need like different houses, or did you need to come back each night to the house?
You have to come. Well, you can stay outside and try hiding from it, but you don't have much hope out there.
Can you buy? Build your own house? Like, is it like crafting or what?
No, you can upgrade your house that you're in currently, but you can't make a new one or anything.
So, and you can say where the house is, or it's a fixed location.
You spawn in the house, or after the cutscene, you're in the house.
So I just try to understand what you do. Okay, it looks interesting. You already have several items and everything. Looks good. It looks good.
I've worked on a questing system. Look at this. If I walk into this, gives you objective top left. Push tab. It's in your inventory as well.
So the little issue you have now, if you now implement multiplayer, you have to go through every single piece of code again.
Yes, it is a lot.
So I suggest or I recommend to, if you guys want to do multiplayer, plan it from beginning, like incorporate it direct.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna be hard, but have to implement.
Yeah. It's not impossible to do it right now still, but I mean, it's more work for you.
Right now, I just got all the items lined up. It's gonna be too
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah. So yeah, you will get this together. I believe in you. So you like in code or what?
Yeah, developer.
Ah yeah. So you like to write your own code? Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Cool. Yeah. Have fun. Have fun.
Yeah, this is what I was
And
talking about.
sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So you know how you defend your house? Like, there's working cameras that work perfectly.
Mhm.
So you gotta build these around the house. Watch out for the monsters. They go in the house.
Is
try
it
to sneak in.
is it Five Nights at Freddy's joke?
Uh,
It's fine
probably
to
the
compare.
closest to. That's the closest game I would say.
Oh, okay. Lol. Yo, Moon, get your game a multiplayer.
My game doesn't have multiplayer. Fuck multiplayer. Way too difficult to make. Fuck that.
It just sounds difficult. After you did it like several times, not so difficult anymore.
That's basically everything in the world, man.
Practice makes perfect. The man's right.
Yeah, I'm not. It's right. It's true, but I mean, yeah, it's just I feel like I want to make good games, and there's
Hey,
some games
hey,
that would
listen.
be multiplayer, but there's
If
some
you
other
want to
games I
make
wanna
good games,
that
you
are
got to
not.
make a lot of shit games first.
Yeah, I did. So with all
Yes.
the game ideas that I have right now, I feel like I just want to make the ones that are single player for now.
Okay.
There's no like multiplayer where I go, I have to make this one.
Hey, it's whatever you like. At the end of the day.
Of course.
Yeah, multiplayer is just such a pain in the ass. Like to make it good, you have to play either you have two controllers and you play with yourself, like you're Sakurai and the fucking genius. That's just crazy. Or you have to find people to play with you, but even then, it's always really, really difficult to tell.
So I have a team, so like I play test with them, right?
Yeah, but like if you're the main game designer, right, or if you are the game designer on your team, like I'm an indie, so
Yes.
that's always going to be the thing. Then it's really hard for me to tell how the game feels for both people. Or for four people, if
Yes.
4 people play it and all that stuff, right? Or I want them to play in a certain way, but they're not, and then I have to think of because like if I play my own game, I always think about how do I play the game as someone who knows everything, and then I'll try to play it like an absolute idiot that has no idea about the game and is also very bad at games, and then I try to do the middle point, like kind of decent at games and doesn't really know what the game is about, right? And
Yeah,
I
and then
usually
you
give it
see
to other
someone.
people too.
Yeah, and then you see someone play it the first time, and he instantly found something you never thought about.
Yeah, exactly. So I do those things, but I can't imagine the headache that I would have if I would have to find 4 people, if it's a 4-player co-op or whatever, and have them 4 people like play the game together and analyze 4 people at the same time. That's just crazy to me.
Yeah. So I
That's what I'm
worked
saying.
at
It's really
least.
difficult. Fuck that. Not that it's a bad or good thing. It's just really hard.
Yeah, it's for you, not for you, I guess. All good.
Not for now.
All good. I guess I did like so much multiplayer games right now that like it doesn't matter anymore for me. Like it's like just it's just a thing, you know. But I go a bit step back and go more to local multiplayer, like Mario Kart or like stuff like this.
Yeah.
Because of the server thing is a headache, but also it's like a cost point, right?
Yeah.
Like one guy, I guess Atlas it was, he said like at some point he has 11K cost a month for his servers.
That's crazy.
It's like a bit much.
Yeah. 11K a month just making it would be really good, actually.
I mean, it covers itself, but I mean, it's still costly. Right?
But like honestly, you know what? I never want to make a game with a server cost. The constant headache you will have, the constant fear that all of a sudden the server's just empty. That shit must be big.
Mm,
No, not really.
that's the reason why we always complain. Oh, why they shut down this game?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of you, don't play it.
Yeah.
So it's the point, man.
Yeah, I guess so.
In like Nintendo situation, doesn't matter if you play their 10-year-old games, they don't make any money anymore. So they lost money.
Yeah. It's not
Like
like the
Mario
people
Kart
who
Wii.
like, oh shit, let's just close down the game, even though people love the game and everyone is playing it and we're making money. with it. Let's just close it down.
Oh, that sounds like the most Nintendo thing ever, to be honest. I
No,
mean,
like Nintendo, yeah,
everybody,
of course, I know.
everybody's playing our game. We want them to buy the new one. It's being irritating. Let's just close the game down. A game that we have built a lot of goodwill with. Fuck him. I think that's what's been happening
Yeah, but
with
no,
Super
that's not
Smash
so
Bros.
Nintendo-ish.
It is.
Problem with Nintendo is problem is this: you buy the game once. Now the server runs for 10 years. They don't make any money anymore. They
What are you
just lost.
talking about? They do it via the NSO services. Do you pay for the NSO service every month?
Yeah,
Oh,
now yes. Now yes.
Yeah, you can
Yes,
still
yes,
you
it's
can
okay.
still
Yes, it's
support
good.
the game. You can still support the game. Like they could have literally gone like, hey, we've got the NSO servers, or they could have like gone ahead and said, okay, fine, we don't want to support the game anymore. Why don't we open source it? Like they can go the id Software route
So
all
man,
the time. id Software open source their Quake 3, their Doom, their everything. They were like, oh yeah, everybody still plays this game. We just don't want to support it anymore. So fuck it. We're open sourcing it. They could have
yeah,
gone
but the
there.
next
There's
headache
there's
and
no there's
the
no
next Nintendo confusion is this. Like in the Wii era, they have dedicated servers. No one paid for it.
what?
Now they have a pay system and just use, huh?
What did you say? I'm sorry, I cannot understand.
Okay. Like in the Wii era, Nintendo Wii,
Yeah.
the games had dedicated servers. Now they have a subscription model and all the games have peer-to-peer.
Yeah.
So no servers needed, no money needed, you know?
Yeah.
So what the fuck?
I agree. I
What the
agree.
fuck?
Like, let
It's like,
Splatoon be free. What the hell?
yeah, or give us servers for Smash Bros, man.
Yeah, I agree.
What the fuck? They make like did you look up the money they make with Smash Bros? They make $1 billion or something
Yeah.
with it.
No. I think it'll be in
It's like
multi-millions. No. It'll be in multi-millions. It won't be a billion. Billion's a bit too much. Billy is a bit
they
too much.
they sell 100 million like copies, man, for $60.
Billy. Yeah, but Billy is still a bit too much because I kind of know that much. It's not going to be a billion. Because even the service side of things is a bit different. Depending on where you're getting your service from. I'm pretty sure Nintendo does have a lot of in-house service, but it's a bit different. It's a bit different. It really depends because server costs are pretty mounting sometimes. So it's just.
Yeah, 1 second.
I wanna kill someone so badly.
What?
It's just not taking the arguments in properly. Can I just do this? Is this a thing?
They did with Smash Bros, the new one on Switch, 6 billion
Oh,
income. Like,
that's
it's not
that's
like
revenue.
win. It's not win.
That's the revenue,
Revenue,
right?
yes.
Okay, yeah.
It's revenue. Man, that's like more than the whole company worth. That's insane. But it's one game, right? They have like 2 games or so, like Mario Kart, Smash Bros, and maybe Zelda that makes this kind of income, and the rest is like mediocre sales, I guess. Yeah.
Probably.
Wait, what
The
about
whole
the
company
Mario
runs
games?
on
Don't they
story
make a
games.
lot of money?
I beg your pardon?
Huh?
Don't the Super Mario games make a lot of money?
They do?
Yes. Yeah, they do, but I guess not so much like Smash Bros, man. Me.
I mean, indirectly they do because of all the merch they have for Mario.
Oh yeah, that's a different story, right? You're right.
Yeah.
But you have to see something like Nintendo is more successful than ever. Like they never, like no, how you call it? None of their standalone games ever sold so much than right now.
Oh yeah. I mean, especially Legend of Zelda. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Everybody, no, that's
Yeah, the
bullshit though.
most sales
Most of the
before was
standalone
like
games
7
sell like crazy. Do you know what was the biggest selling game? It was basically Wii Sports. All right, at first, because it's at the
Yeah.
Wii itself made a lot of money. I don't think people understand how much money uh those things made. There was a lot.
You have to take a look at the gap between the last best-selling Zelda and the Breath of the Wild. The like Ocarina of Time or Twilight Princess make like 7 million sales, and then like Breath of the Wild make almost 100 million sales. So what the fuck? The difference is like, bro. Now
lot.
it's mainstream. Now it's mainstream.
Probably.
Shit,
Why does this
it's so
work?
insane. So and how the fuck they have so much money? How the fuck they still can do like messed up shit?
I don't know, man.
Just give us servers, please.
Just give us service. That sounds like a valid request.
Yeah, they will do it in 10 years when everyone do cloud servers, the cloud services. Then they do servers.
No. I think cloud servers are also a bad idea. Serverless is a horrible. I mean, it's not a horrible idea. It's
I
good
just
for the
say
game.
when every other company already on the new thing, they do it. That's what I try to say. They're like way back, you know.
This is so fucking irritating. Why is this not working? I'm so shocked.
Yo, Moon, did you also expect 100 million sales for your game, huh?
100 million sales for my game? Yeah, I expect that. Actually, I expect a lot more. At least.
Hey, that's like rookie moves,
And-
man. That's a rookie amount of money. Hey, it's 100 million or more. That's rookie shit.
Like if the numbers are not even in a million, what's the point?
Yeah,
What's the point?
exactly. What's the
Yeah,
fucking point, man? What's the fucking point?
exactly.
Yeah.
You have at least the eighth part of the humanity have to buy it or not worth it.
Exactly. Yeah,
A
six.
part of
Exactly.
humanity? That sounds a bit like I don't know.
No, they have to buy it two
I don't
times
know.
over, man. Like it's this the Skyrim model, man. Every time I put out a remaster, you gotta buy it. What is
I
this?
feel like my
6
game
billion?
should be so good that people time travel back to our period to buy the game.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yes.
I don't understand what I'm doing.
Yes.
God, that's too funny.
Oh my goodness. Like my peak ever was like, let me think.
I'm so
I have in my MMO game, I have, I guess, some thousand players. I guess it's my peak, yeah.
true.
And then the VR thing, like this was a VR game, and now the VR thing is dead, right? So, fuck my life.
From file name. There's a const.
Such a Dutch, yeah.
S3
Yeah, what the frick?
converted to C string.
Oh no, he sent me like a totally serious Dropbox thing. That's definitely not on Rivals.
Who
You
said
said you wanted to play the game, and then I said, "Is it okay to send you a link and to a
It was a
downloadable?" And you said, "Okay."
you?
A
Did
joke.
you forget?
A joke. It was a joke.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble.
But I thought maybe you will send me like an HIO or something. But easy going. Yeah. Yo, J Bear. That's your name, J Bear.
Yeah.
J Bear.
Yeah.
Where you study? Which university you study?
Oh, I just finished studying at Dundee University.
Ah, okay. Where is it? I don't know.
Scotland.
Ah, Scott. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm back home in India though. I'm just looking for a job
You're
right
from
now.
India? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Do I not sound like it?
Yeah, a little tiny bit, man. A totally little tiny bit, literally.
A little bit.
But only sometimes.
Only sometimes. Okay, what is an Indian supposed to sound like, my man?
Like some Indian people around here, and they're really thick accent, you know.
Yeah, I get you.
Like the guy from Big Bang Theory accent, you know.
Oh yeah. Raj did have an accent. So yeah, Raj did have an accent. Yeah. The guy from Big Bang Theory actually did not have an accent. He was having a pro. No, never mind. He also did have a thick accent. Never mind. You're right. He did have a thick accent.
Maybe not the actor. Maybe have no accent.
No. The actor does. The actor did. The character also did.
Can someone act like an accent? Is this even possible?
Yeah. I mean, British guys always do it. Tom Holland did that. Did put on an American accent when he was in Spider-Man. And yeah, you can act.
Maybe he learned to speak properly English, right?
Yeah, but then a lot of Spanish actresses are also there in English movies, and like even I can basically like fake a Texas American accent like it ain't funny, people. You can
I
always.
love South, man. I love the dirty South, man, from USA. That's cool.
You love the what?
South.
Oh, the South. Yeah, the South is good. The South's got the stuff. The South's got the shit. It's got good shit.
Welcome, Con.
I like the music.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
You're from Osaka?
I'm tired. What?
You're from Osaka?
No, I'm from the Philippines.
What the fuck?
That's almost the same, man. That's like almost the same.
I knew this was coming. I knew the German will say this. I knew the German would fucking say this. It had to be the German.
Yo, Con.
Hey, it's the same thing. It's Asia.
Why does it say I live in Osaka then? In the Philippines, you want to live in Osaka? Is that a thing?
No, it's a character from an anime.
Understood.
Understood. Yeah. He's Wait, where in the Philippines are you from?
Manila.
Oh, fuck. Wow. Okay, never mind.
It's the capital.
Yeah.
Capital. It's full of it's full of two kinds of people, conservatives and femboys.
Hey. Femboys can be conservatives too.
I thought the fanboys in Thailand, man. What the frick? I thought literally they're in Thailand, man.
Did I not open the file?
Anyways, do you guys want to see my game? Me and my other friend have been working on it for like 2 months already.
Ooh, let's go.
Did you know what I like on the Philippines?
What?
There you get some programming worker for $1 an hour, man.
Oh fuck! I fucking do. God, we should not let him talk. I've already like the first part is.
But nah, this guy, dude, this guy.
I mean, like, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. It is incredibly cheap here. Like, a burger here is like how many dollars? I don't know. It's like 55 pesos. That's.
God,
That's like $1.
listen, guys. Our
Where's the
YouTube
penis,
streaming. This cannot be. This cannot be the only thing I record. I have to.
I literally like worked with Filipinos, and they literally like took like $400 or something for like full-time work.
God damn it! God damn it! I'm gonna be honest. In India, it's nearly the same. Let's see what's the conversion rate. German is euros still, right?
Euro, yeah, euro.
Euros to INR. How much did I get paid monthly by Ubisoft? 1 second. Yeah, that's the amount I would. Yeah, 657 for the whole month. God damn. That's the amount of euros. No, euros. 657 euros.
Did you work for Ubisoft?
Yeah.
Right now?
No. I used to before going for a master's.
Ah, used to. Okay, cool.
I was.
Yeah, okay, but that's like the how you call it, like internship.
No, that was a full-time work. I've worked for them for I think a year and a half. I worked in Just Dance 2023.
Oh, okay.
Worked in Just Dance 2023, Oddballers.
So they would pay me the same amount or something, or 1,000 or something, if I do internship there, you know.
Oh fuck you, you
But
Europeans.
if I do full-time job, I guess Ubisoft, you get maybe, let's say, 3K to 5K or something. Maybe.
Probably.
Or like, if you work a time there, you maybe get up to 10K, like, of course.
Yeah,
But yeah,
probably.
like it's like, I have the feeling it's locked at 10K. Like in Google, everywhere, you normal programmer job, you get like 10K max. So that's what you get.
I mean, 10K. Wait, did you say 10K a month in euros?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I need to specify this, and this is I'm gonna be as nice as possible. Do you know how much is 10K a month in euros for a normal human being living in the global south?
No, I don't. But to live in the global west, it's bullshit. No, John. It's
No.
Yeah, Japan.
Yo.
Maybe it's
Yo.
it's like maybe
Okay.
not so much. No.
Okay. No. Let me be furthermore significantly nicer. I'm looking for a job in the UK that'll just pay me 45 grand or 35 to 45 grand. That's it.
Go to Swiss. They like go to Swiss.
Go to
Go
Swiss.
to Swiss. I tell you why. The programming companies give you
Yeah.
as a newbie 100K a year.
Go fuck yes. Nah, I'm calling
Go to
bullshit.
Switzerland.
I'm calling
Go
bullshit.
to Switzerland.
Yeah. Well, fine. I'll look
it's
for
true,
jobs
man.
in Switzerland. I'll look for a job in Switzerland. I don't care. I mean, 100K, you can even get the goddamn sponsorship and all shit done.
But maybe you don't live then in Swiss, like we live in Germany and work in Swiss, then you'll be even better. Because of the rent in Swiss is also a bit high.
Again, I was
Yeah.
looking for a job only for 35 to 40K in London.
But how you supposed to live in London with this money?
I get a shitty ass place. That's all it is. That's all I got, bro. Ooh.
Or you like live 50 kilometers away, huh?
Yeah. That's all I got. That's the only option we got.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That's
Ask
what
them
we
for
got.
remote work and ask them for remote 100%.
Hey,
stay
you
in India,
take
man.
what you get.
Nah, stay in India and do a remote 100%, man. Then you're good.
Yeah. That's one of the options. Like that's an easy option to get nowadays. I'm sorry, I'm
Yeah.
gonna be a doomer about that shit.
I know that.
Yeah. Alright. Come on, man. I just need to do memory analysis. Can you fucking please work?
So what's 100K francs in euro? I don't know.
A lot.
Oh, wait.
A lot. You Swiss people, like the Swiss even have like free education. Like I think you have to pay like 150 euros just for the student union. That's it, which is like nothing. Yeah.
Okay, it's 100K. No, what? It's like 103K euro a year. Yeah. Fun fact: I live at Swiss border. I should work there and live in Germany. It would be the best.
Hey, whatever makes you happy, man.
Like, yeah, it's just logic, right?
Okay, why is file.open now working? This is stupid.
Yo, you're a bit unstable. Like you're like Dream is
Yeah.
unstable, I guess.
I mean, you just.
Oh, you can go.
Oh no, I'm
Alright.
like it's just been 3 months that you've been working on it, so it'll take some time to kind of put it all together.
But like we're working not constantly, but like
On and off.
I'm still in like classes. I'm gonna like take like I don't know. I want to get this done, so then I can show this to like my college to like as part of my portfolio, even if it's incomplete.
Hey, listen. So I used to be a TA for the game development students in my college. If you want, what you can do is like you can just add me up on Discord, send me messages if you need any particular help. I'll be more than willing to help you out.
Oh, all right, cool.
Also, I've got 3 years of experience, so yeah, it should be good. Uh,
3 years sounds really long. My advice is to you to scope it down.
what?
Because usually when you think like, oh, I think I'm gonna take a year, then it's usually 3 years in the end. You might be actually really good, but you think it's a year and then you just say 3 years, or it will be a year and you think 3 years, but still, it's like a lot of time.
Wait, what?
Mm.
Regarding what? Like, oh, you mean in terms of my experience?
No, I'm not talking to you.
Oh. Nah, I think he can do it in a year. Whatever he needs to, like having a minimum viable thing by the end, by the end of the year, should not be too much of an issue. This does
I'm
take.
thinking of playing with momentum for my game, but I'm not sure.
Just go
Oh,
for
yeah,
it.
good.
Just go for it.
Alright.
Depends. Wait, what are you trying to? I'm sorry, I said it too soon. What are you trying to achieve, though? Let's first start with that.
Okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to like achieve a run and gun platformer with 6 stages. Yeah,
Okay.
that's pretty much it.
So running gun platformer with 6 stages. Is it top down or 3D?
It's
It's a
side-scroller.
side scroller.
A side scroller. So what will you do with momentum?
Basically, like if you want to like dodge things, you can roll down onto a slope to like gain momentum, and then you can like dodge bullets and stuff that's coming your way.
Oh, so you're just basically going ahead rather than having the player. So basically, if the player's here, he can basically slide down the slope. You mean like that?
Hold on, I'll draw it on my stream. Hold on, let me just pull up MS Paint.
Yeah. All right.
From what I
Okay,
saw
so it's
from your
like
game, it would fit the game really well. It actually felt like you're going into that direction of Super Meat Boy with the game, how it looks,
Ooh, yeah.
but also how it played.
Super Meat Boy is good.
And if it doesn't work, you can always delete it. Just make sure that you try it really quick, like a really simple version of it, and then see if it works or not.
Mm.
it's basically like this. So it's like the player can like press down midair.
Okay.
And then he builds up acceleration. And then when you slide onto the slope, you build up your acceleration, and then you can go slide to like dodge bullets like coming like this way,
Mm-hmm.
or like this way, you know, etc.
Okay. I mean, it should work. I don't think you require to work. I'm so sorry about that. With rigid body and stuff. But yeah, I think momentum and all should work. I mean, it's all gonna be momentum.
Mm. My only problem is like you need to like you need to be good at you need to be really like really good at dodging stuff, cause like imagine like a bullet comes like in front of you and then you have to like dodge and it like the bullet has to be really slow so then you can like be able to dodge it. I think so. Like maybe I tone down the acceleration to not make it too fast, so that
Mm-hmm.
we'll have enough time to um
React.
be think about like what your next move is, so then you can dodge things properly.
Maybe.
good.
I don't think you'll have to slow down the bullets at all, too much. Again, Dark Souls is a good example. You can make it like, oh, I was trying to give Souls like kind of thing, but as you get good with the game, you just have to make sure like everything else is crispy. You'll have to like when you play test it more, you kind of figure it out. If you think you don't like the idea of something, usually like you should just test it the way you like it. So that's the best way to kind of go about it.
To lower difficulty, you can reduce the speed of the projectiles. You can also make it that the dodge is just longer. If you
Good.
mean dodge in a way like iframes in Dark Souls.
Hmm. I
You
also
can do
had
that
this
too.
I also had this other idea where it's like Okay, so if you notice in the gameplay that I showed, there's like a dodge, or not really a dodge, a dash sort of like move, right?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
I was like thinking that if you press the dash when you hit an enemy target, the enemy gets stunned, or like you parry the the projectile to back to the enemy, and then again you get the enemy gets stunned. That could be really useful for bosses to like just stun them, and you can just shoot them relentlessly.
That's very cool.
So I think I'll go with that instead of the momentum. Maybe I'll do the momentum as well. Just it won't have a bigger emphasis in the gameplay that much.
I'll link the game in the chat. You can see that they did the momentum thing a lot. That's kind of what the game is about, and it felt really similar to yours. There's no shooting in that game. That one is completely just about the momentum and the punching. But
Oh wait, you
once
mean
you
Meat
see it,
Boy?
it might help you out making a decision.
Okay, hold on. I might show some stuff that I've made for the game. As you can see, I've been hard at work with other stuff here. Um, like this is like a scrap background because like I made it way too big, but I'm happy how it turned out.
Ooh, looks nice.
Yeah, and then let's see, I have the Burger King where this is for like not the tutorial like how the controls work, I guess. I don't know.
Hmm.
By the way, if you want updates, I can send the Discord server link for like the updates for the game.
Ooh.
Hold on, actually, hold on, let me do that. I'll just send it in the.
Okay, I'm just gonna give up and I'm gonna do it like this. Yo, this is dumb.
Bro, I looked it up right now. Swiss, so like application developer,
Uh-huh.
like what I am, 105,000 francs a year.
Okay,
Like that's the
that's
median. It's not the median. It's not even the. It's not even the. That's just the middle field, you know.
okay, that's crazy.
Just go to Switzerland, man.
Yeah, I'll just get up and go to Switzerland, man.
Yeah, yeah. Make some real money.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's pretty dead cheap.
1,800 job offers right now. If I see here, you may will find something. Yeah.
Hopefully I will, but I need to practice first, and then I think I will kind of go with it. What was that? Oh, that's somebody saying. Oh.
So I gotta go eat something, and then let's see what then. Yeah, guys.
Bye.
Uh,
Have you guys ever played Metal Slug?
What?
Metal Slug.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've played Metal Slug.
Oh yeah, I used to love that
Yes.
game. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill
My
someone.
game is like.
Oh, I
inspired
wanna
by
fucking
Tomb
kill
Raider.
someone. It was.
Oh.
That's not very nice.
Okay, do you know what the issue was?
What was the issue?
I was sending the relative path not relative to the exe. It was like I thought it was the relative path it takes is relative to the exe. You know what's it relative to?
No.
The solution file.
Oh, your
It
game
did-
kind of
it-
is like Metal Slug. You're right.
Oh yeah, by the way, it looks
I
gorgeous.
would've
Your game
remembered
fucking
now.
looks gorgeous. I'm gonna just show it up. This shit looks
Mine.
good.
How old are you, by the way? Like, how
Oh,
do you know about
damn.
Metal Slug?
This looks smooth as shit. Huh. This is pretty good.
Hmm. This isn't Metal Slug. This is Aquapon.
It's not Metal Slug. Oh,
No, this looks like
No.
Metal Slug.
it looks
like, it's
one like Metal
the-
Slug.
It is that as just Metal Slug, but on the but made in Game Maker.
Did you make this? Did you make this?
No. of course
Oh,
not.
come on.
Really? That's not what.
Come
No,
on.
that would be awesome.
I mean-
I want to make stuff for this.
Yeah, let's go. Let's
Not
do
that
this
far
shit.
from it, dude.
Let's do this shit. I'll say let's do this shit. It's possible. At
There
least
you
I
go.
can. At least now I can maybe diagnose memory usage.
Time to do the multiplayer. Yeah. What was that thing you told me for multiplayer?
Yo, Con, you can make games like this in the future, bro.
I could. I want to work for Way Forward, but then again, I'm not sure if I want to do that. Cause like
Especially
that was.
because
My originally as like a kid, I wanted to go to Ubisoft to like work on Rayman games.
Yeah, I feel you. You know what? That's one thing I told them in game. I was like, hey, listen, I want to kind of work on something from the back to the front, and we've got a lot of good IP. And I was like, maybe we can like suggest like a Rayman game. It'll be kind of cool. And them but the problem is you're supposed to make a demo and just send it to them, and like go like, okay, so this is what I built. This is what my pitch is, and then do it. They do like basically Ubisoft internally has some of this stuff where you can go ahead and say, hey, we're gonna open up the flow for ideas, and at least in my studio they did. You just find the people, make a version of the game, pitch it, and we'll see if we can do anything about it. But it's so less of a time, which like my plan was if they allow me to come back to Ubisoft again, I would kind of go ahead and pitch a Rain Man game. I'm absolutely not joking. Okay, I already know some of the devs on the team. I was like, okay, what we can do is we can just like open up Snowdrop. We can go ahead and put some assets in. We just need to convince them designers. We got this. And Ubisoft does not reply back to me. I was like, fuck. And maybe like my idea was like just develop it for a year and just show up and see what works out. Ugh. I got completely fucked that. So yeah. It
I
would've-
was like, I was in third grade when I said to myself, I want to work for Ubisoft. And then in middle school, I played the Shantae games. So I was like, I want to work for Way Forward, but now I want to start my like what I plan right now is like I plan to like work maybe with Way Forward on like my own games, maybe some I don't know, maybe they might publish my games with their name on it. And I'm like, yeah, I can't wait to like publish my video games with them, and then I start my own game studio once I have my own money.
Well, whatever works, I think was the best way to kind of do it.
Mm.
Wait, is it still working? Should have at least created an image. I'm sorry. God. Okay, I officially don't know what's going on. Huh. I thought I fixed everything. Should have. Oh yeah. Oh no, it is literally just taking a fuckload of time. Is that... Am I using 453 megabytes of memory to create the data? Am I fucking insane? Yo, does anybody want to see the worst application written on mankind's earth? 76 MB, 76 MB, 76 MB, suddenly 300 fucking MB, 400 MB, goes back down. This is the processing. And then, wait, right should have taken 6 seconds. Actually, can I not create memory snapshot? Jesus Christ. I need to fix this shit right fucking now. Oh, come on. I'm just trying to take a snapshot. Oh, did everybody get bored and leave?
No, I'm here.
Oh. Well, I... How bad can a person be with memory? Can somebody tell me?
Very bad.
True that. True fucking that. Okay. I've taken one of the memory snapshots, keeping them there. Okay, now I can start actually freaking...
You want to know how to learn how to memorize something?
I am curious. It sounds like you're gonna make a joke, and I'm curious what you're gonna say.
I'm gonna make something that's like, what's it called? The truth.
Okay.
But it's okay. I'll keep the truth to myself. But
No.
yeah.
Tell me more.
Yeah.
Tell me more. I'm listening.
No,
I'm
no,
listening.
I just realized that the sun is out and it's snowy, and I have other things to do.
Oh.
Have a nice time. and
Oh.
I'll be back in, like,
No.
later.
Tell me how to memorize something. Oh God. Why am I like this? Absolutely. I'm suspicious of every fucking buddy. Okay.
Wait, what's my screen share for a second? I worked hard on this when I show it.
Wait, what are you gonna do with your screen share for a second?
Have a look at mine.
All right. Let's look at your screen share. As soon as I copy paste this. Watch
Quickly.
Wait.
Before...
Where are you? Oh yeah, there we go. Before it crashes.
No, look at the candle.
Yeah.
It's slowly melting down.
Oh yeah, it is. Good shade of work. Good shade of work.
It used to be a massive one like that. Yeah, there you go. It's unusable now.
Good job.
Fine. Look, it's big now.
Yeah. Oh, how did you do the actual light for it? Like it also like the light pens and all. I like that. I mean the.
I just watched a tutorial, not gonna lie.
Oh, okay. Send me that tutorial. I want to do the wire shader to be honest. Like
Yeah, it works well.
it works really well. I'm giving
Yeah.
you that. Also, like I like the idea how you like. I think you like you pulling down the candle, maybe scaling it down from above. It's also cool. How you doing that? I like it.
But this,
No, like the candle becoming smaller and smaller. How do you do that?
just watch YouTube. That's what I did.
Yeah, but can you not explain it to me? You'll have to explain it one day.
I don't remember, honestly. I did this, like, this was the first thing I basically did. These items here. And I went over here and did all these.
Oh.
What the hell's wrong with these? Also, I like my crafting thing I made.
Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna start working on actually trying to increase the performance of this stuff. Yeah, that was a good conversation. Okay.
Yes, it was.
So we've got going on this, going on time, creating the image. How can we create the image? Okay, so let's go one by one, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. How do I go in? Nope, that's not what I wanted. God, Vim motions are much more difficult than I thought. Have you ever tried Vim?
What was that?
Have you ever tried Vim?
Just say it again. I have no
Vim,
idea.
Vim motions, Vim.
Don't think so.
Okay. Cool. Okay, what do I want to do here? I want to read the header. Do I want to read the header one by one, or do I want to read the header by manually logging it?
Are you a 3D modeler by chance, or?
No. I'm just a programmer.
I need a level designer or something. Annoying me at this point.
I mean, you can talk to people. Just talk to people over here, and you should be able to find someone. Hey, I'm just looking for a level designer who's willing to work with me for a bit. Maybe somebody will pop up and go like, "Oh, fine, I'll help you." But it's sometimes gonna be a pain.
Yeah, because I have everything I need now. I just need a map to test everything and do everything.
God, Visual Studio has no fucking respect for how I keep things.
It's very green.
So let's go over. Pack push one. Go down. Go. No. Oh, it's
So if I open,
there's a pop as well, right? How do we end up packing?
I just came back from the best dinner ever.
Ooh, what was the dinner?
Lechon, I think.
What?
It's like It's like so. It's like some fried pork belly or some shit. I don't
Oh,
know.
that sounds
But it was
awesome.
really good.
You mean like Korean samgyeopsal?
No, I don't. I'm not sure. I don't know Korean food that well.
I keep forgetting my things.
I didn't have Filipino food that much.
It's good.
Yeah, it was good. Stuff that I ate was good.
My only gripe with that is that like I still had some bone in there, so like I hurt my tooth a little bit, but it's
Aw.
fine.
Bro, that's fine. It happens.
Yeah.
I'm doing Faldo Sikchi.
Ooh.
So we got ampersand header, header dot size of header. So we should be able to probably read the proper size now. If we've packed it, we've taken into consideration the memory push, rate of cast, size of header. Will it do this correctly? We shall see. Boom. It does, ladies and gentlemen. That was
Oh, this
all I
hurts my head so much.
Trust
Oh,
I feel you, man. I feel you. What? Wait, what hurts your head? Maybe that'll be easy
look
for
on my
me.
screen share real quick.
Okay. Oh, that was mistaken half. 1 second. Just let me fix my screen. Yep. What is it?
So, this thing here is hosting a multiplayer server.
Yeah.
I join it on here,
Yeah.
so I'm connected to it now, but
Yeah.
it's not sending me to this.
Oh, it's not sending anything to there.
Yeah, so
So it's
I'm
not
in
sending
the
anything.
server.
So basically, the first client that you opened, the client that is built, is the main client. That's the hosting client. I'm guessing. Then
This is the hosting one, yeah.
yeah. And your Unity player is acting like a joining client. I forgot what you call it. Host and whatever player or whatever. And it's not showing. Can you show me the code?
Code, it is.
I want. By the way, what are you using for networking?
I used Alternate for this one. I did.
Never used it before, but let's see. Let's see what's the joining code
Online.
like.
Where did I put it? Network. Object.
Oh wait. So the session is joining though, right?
I hope so. I've never used this one before.
God damn. This is gonna be irritating. Alternate multiplayer application ID is dead. You've got your log level, buckets, blah, why do you have buckets? Are those S3 buckets?
I don't know. I did not put that there. This is just a.
Yeah, this is built in. You've got on disconnect, on connect. What is happening on connect? Okay,
I
fine.
don't really know. That doesn't work. This whatever it is.
On connect main menu. It's saying load scene main menu.
Main
on
game.
sorry, main game. Okay, let's look at. Okay, you're calling a function. It's telling you to go to main game. All right.
This is main game.
Okay, so you've joined it.
Oh, what happened to everything? Oh, there we go.
Okay. Okay, show me main game.
There is two players, but they're both connected to my. This is just copied. Don't know why it does it for.
Yeah. Wait, how are you? If they're copied, well, how are you able to walk it there?
No, so this player is this. I broke it and wasn't bothered. So
Okay.
it's spawn. Wait, where is it?
Show me the main game code, man.
Yes. So where is it? Here's the thing I was having trouble with as well. Where is it? Manager network. So it spawns the player,
Mm-hmm.
but to make a lobby, there needs to be a player as well. Confusing.
Okay. Spawn and join,
Yeah.
spawn manually, avatar prefab position. What is it? What do you mean? Show me the error.
This one.
No, there's an error, right, in the console?
There is a lot of errors.
Can you turn off the debug thingy? The on the top right, there is a message thingy. Yeah, turn that off. Okay, cool. Now there are non-reference exceptions. That means there's some things that you have not considered. Why? Play it again. Cleared and play it again. No, cleared and play again. Clear. Does it clear it?
Give me a sec. Yeah. Oh,
Okay. Go back to the main UI. Try and join again. I want to see if there are any errors when you try and join.
okay, so the server's still up.
Yep, there are errors. What are the errors? Jesus Christ. The 3 errors. Okay, and the quality went to shit. I cannot read them, my friend. Could you tell me what they're saying?
An item with the same key has already been added.
An item with the same key has already been added. What is the second
That's
one?
because there's 2 players. I can
Yeah,
fix
but
it.
then they should be having 2 different player IDs, right?
No, there's 2 players per thing. It's broken.
Okay.
Okay, now this shouldn't give us that error anymore.
Perfect. But you don't have an extra player?
No, we do, but when people join, it won't give them a player. Okay, there you go. I've connected
Okay.
with 1 error now.
Variable gamepad of menu controller has not been assigned. It's not been assigned a game controller. Oh, wait a second. Can you show me the prefab? Of the prefab that you're trying to load in.
Player.
Yeah, the player prefab. Wait, there's a player already loaded in, right? There's a player that is already spawned, correct?
Not for this.
Yeah, but you're trying to spawn another player, right? Can you show me the
Yeah, I'm trying
prefab
to
for that?
spawn a new player in this scene.
Yeah, but how are you telling it to spawn it? Are you sending it a prefab or are you sending him like, what are you sending him? Can you show me?
I don't know what it's sending. I have no idea.
Oh my god. Okay, show me what it's supposed to spawn. Where does it decide what to spawn?
So it's meant to spawn at spawn point, wherever this is. It's meant to spawn
Okay.
right in the middle.
Okay, and how do you tell that that's the spawn point to the main controller?
In networking, there should
Yeah.
be somewhere there is a spawn thingy.
Yeah. Come on, let's go there.
Oh, I don't know where it is.
So that's your biggest problem because in the end of the day, what's happening is I think what you're trying to do is so it does not know like when you're trying to spawn whatever you're trying to spawn, it goes like, hey, there is no controller attached to this because it cannot actually find it. It doesn't know where to look for the input manager because you're basically saying maybe get component, but like you're not using get component. You're basically saying okay, find object of type. Not even find object of type. Basically, it's like a serialized reference. Does that make sense? How do you add? Can you show me the prefab? Can you just show me the player once? Just the player. Show me the scripts. Show me the scripts you're using to control the locomotion. Player controller script.
The player controller.
Yeah, see, you're assigning shit over here, right? What is the first thing you're assigning?
Camera kickback. camera, so arms kickback. There's a
Okay.
lot of.
And what about the? Okay, so open the player controller script up. Did you write the script, by the way?
No.
Jesus Christ. Did you make changes to the script?
Not really. No. I've added a few things to make stuff work. That's about it.
All right. What'd you add in? The kickback?
Yeah, a bit. Over one of them. Okay, here you go.
God, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to read.
I
Uh,
know.
okay. Can I just? Okay, I know I have a wide aspect screen right now. Can you not try and make my screen bigger for no reason? Serializable property. Ooh, this is new. You're not using the attribute. Huh.
Should I?
I've never seen anyone use serializable property as it's also not telling you the type. I've never seen this before. I've never seen serializable property. I don't even know which library that comes from. Huh. Okay. I guess we are just assuming they're all game objects. Cool. Where does it get the controller features? So it's saying what is missing. It's saying what is the null reference to. Wait, why didn't we just double click the error? Just double click the error. No, just
arrow.
no. We had an error before, right? Wow, does it still open a new Visual Studio every time?
Mhm.
Which version of Unity are you on? I think because I'm pretty sure we fixed this.
No, this is a lot of script to look through.
I have no idea what's going on. Okay, so in the menu controller, it's saying it cannot find the Oh, there we go. Controller prefab, right? So you're spawning this menu controller's controller controller prefab somewhere, aren't you?
Maybe.
But it cannot get that because are you using get component to get it, or are you basically assigning it?
I have no idea.
Go up, mate. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go start. Go to start. Go to start.
Yeah.
No, start. 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 Or awake, or one of the above, whatever there is. Start or awake, or whatever you're using to initialize all of these things.
Using.
How new are you to Unity?
8 months.
All right, that does not still explain it. All right, let's go down. Let's just go down. On enable. Okay, there we go. I found it. Go back. Go back up. Go back up on enable. Okay.
Yeah.
So input handler throw null reference. So this is what is throwing the error on enable input handler dot has null reference exception. The input handler was not found.
I do have 2 input handlers though. I got one for the multiplayer.
Okay.
Then I got just another one that I had before I was adding multiplayer.
All right. Can you show me the error once more? I just want to see what is missing exactly. It says unassigned reference to menu controller. Okay, yes, the menu controller. I was right about the menu controller. So if you go back to where you're using the script in the scene, where are you using the script in the scene? Go to menu controller in the scene. I don't know why I'm solving this error. It's got nothing to do with the multiplayer. But go to menu controller on the screen. Go down.
I don't know where it would be, honestly.
It should be on your game UI, right?
Game UI menu. Don't.
Oh no, where are you using this?
Yeah, menu controller.
Okay, cool. But which was the script? Menu. Go back to your thing. What's the script? Okay. Menu controller. What is missing in the menu controller? What has not been assigned?
Gamepad variable. Gamepad.
There we go.
I don't know what to put there.
Just remove the element then.
Voila. Oh wait, after.
Yep.
Mm,
Yeah, that happened.
Yeah.
Okay. This will not solve our issue, but at least it'll get rid of the error. Play. I want to see why it's not able to spawn any other player. I'm hoping I'm not peeking too much. I don't want to be a peeking duck, especially not around the.
There we go. There's the server.
Okay.
Two. And if I go to this, two, but it's not spawning the other player. This is just the other version of me.
Perfect. Go back to the main menu. Go back to the main lobby, over here. Can you not get into the game here? What will happen if you return into the game here?
It's just in my world, not in this world.
Okay. So, your host is not sending to the client exactly what all it needs to spawn. So where is your client controller?
Network manager. Would that be it?
Yep. Network manager, on connect, multiplayer. Okay. Earlier in on connect, did you not have like main game?
I did. It didn't do anything. It didn't work at all.
Okay. So when you're supposed to spawn a player, right? Can you show me the main player? Like the player that spawns? Where's the player that spawns?
This one.
Okay, so this player is already in the game. That's one issue. You do not have to have him already instantiated. That's one issue. Perfect, no problem. Can you go back to the spawn points?
Spawn point doesn't work.
Yeah, there should be more than one. There should be more than one spawn point.
This menu.
Yeah.
There has to be a player on the thing to access the menu beforehand.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Yeah, and that's why it's kind of spawning another player at the spawn point, which is going to be you, correct? This menu should be attached to a menu thingy, a game GUI. So you do not put this on the player. You never put this on the player. Whatever you've done right now, you don't put it on the player. Because the controller's job is to spawn the player. Because it's trying to spawn the player, it is spawning another one of you that already exists. And because there are two people already, what client does it need to connect to?
Oh, this is hurting my head.
Oh, come on. Okay, just see my screen once. You might have to redesign your pattern a bit.
I can just drag this thing out. I can put this wherever it wants to go.
So basically, you will have.
Did it like that? It's on the side for now.
Okay, so it's on the side for now. Can you still join it somehow?
Let me.
Without the player being in the game.
I would have to rebuild the game to test it.
Yep. But remove the player first.
Yes. Wait, I have to set this thingy up before I do that.
Okay.
The manager, spawn on join.
Dude.
Yep, all good. It's all set up.
Okay, delete the player. Show me that thing again. Show me that thing again.
This.
Yes. Okay, so you are getting it from prefabs. That's good. All right. Perfect. I think we should be able to like just. Now, what will happen if you press the start game in that? Oh, you cannot do that without.
Yep. Give me a second.
No worries.
Save the game. Build it quickly.
There should be more than one spawn point too, right? Shouldn't there be more
They
than
all
one?
spawn in the same spot. Doesn't really matter.
Okay. So they should spawn on top of one another, that means.
Unless they move out the way. Because the person that starts the game
Yeah.
move instantly while other people can join.
But not anymore, right? Because there will no longer be a person at the start of the game.
When people
Okay, we'll see.
post the lobby, they can
Um,
move until other people join and they
Cool.
move as well.
I love IELTS CPP. How's my mic though? Could you just quickly tell me?
It's pretty good, yeah.
Well, perfect. I like the screen. I like the background. Very Resident Evil.
There we go. This UI shouldn't be here, but it is what it is. Here's the issue now. There is no player object for my UI, because if I do it here, I can demonstrate it a bit better.
Yeah. Just keep it empty.
So when I click join,
Yeah.
the UI isn't working because there's no player object set for the UI, so it's not gonna work at all. I can't get rid of this. I can't move nothing.
Oh,
Check.
because is that because of the way your UI is designed?
Yeah, I think it is.
But now you have 2 players. Do you see that?
I have 2 players here. Yeah.
Yeah, so that means you are getting your information from the client. Can you go back to the scene mode in the viewer? Can you go back to the scene viewer? Can you Can you click on the hero player variant and press F?
This.
Yeah, press F. Oh, never mind. Can you just move him? Move him to the left a little bit. So your multiplayer is working. That means all you need is something to hold your UI. All right. Your player to hold your UI. So this has got nothing to do with your multiplayer environment. It's got to do with the way you're managing your UI. So your UI controls have to be kind of different. Does it make sense?
Yeah. Oh, wait, that does not meant to look like that.
It doesn't matter. We're good. Don't worry. We'll figure it out. That's earlier later. So what you need to do is I would say create an empty player.
Empty player.
Yeah, let's
object.
just create an empty object. Just create an empty object. Put that as your player for UI or whatever. Let's see what happens when you do that.
UI.
Yep.
Yep.
Assign that to that stupid thing that's missing. Because I don't know how. Yeah. And okay, just play it again and see.
Wait, I would have to stop this first.
Yeah, absolutely. Create empty UI. Okay.
There you go.
There we go. Okay, perfect. Now play and see if you can do the UI or not.
Yep. Okay, so join.
Okay.
I can't even lock in my mouse. It won't work. The only thing if it will work is
Why?
if I drag this in here.
Okay. So
It won't even work. Yeah, there you go. I have to turn it on.
So you'll have to when this gets initialized. So when you click join, does this get created when you click join? When does this get initialized? When does this game UI get created?
It's always there.
Oh god damn it! That's gonna kill me. So then you don't. You have to do something that this script does not get activated till you've got players. So the main player, the player that you're connected to, gets joined and gets connected to that, because it has to get connected to the local player. So you have to kind of figure out which is local, which is client when they join. So or you have to get that from the network and then have them put it. This is the weirdest way to get the UI though.
I'm sorry.
So
because I've used like 60 tutorials for all the different things.
yeah, that's why you gotta be careful with the tools you use. You got to get the right tools. So I would suggest like you might have to figure out how to get like when the player spawns, it looks for their HFPS game manager and attaches the player object to it. So can you open this? Can you open the script for this? I want to see if this is public or what. If it's private, then we have a problem. Can you? Is it public? The the player thingy. Private variables. Can you open private variables? There's a region for private variables down there. Public variables. Okay, public variables have boolean, float. A game object player. Yeah, there we go. So what you can do is go back to your player script. So I'm giving you the easy way out. I'm not giving you the correct way out. So do not fucking do this when you're later on making a game. All right.
I just wanted the workers.
Okay. So go to your player script.
Yeah, I'm looking for it. If it, no, it's gonna let me do it like that. Player control.
Go to on enable.
Would you know where that is?
Yeah, that's right there. Yep, there we go.
Yep.
Okay. Game object dot find.
Would it be?
Can I actually take control? Is that possible? Is that possible for
How
me
would
to
I do
take?
that?
Yeah, I cannot take control. Damn it! Oh, this Discord. This is not. Oh, that's disappointing. Okay.
I can send you this.
No. Do not send me the file. I am not reading a 200-line file. Anyway, game object dot. A game object dot. Okay. Was it auto or var? Okay. Remove the game object again.
Remove it.
Yeah, just remove this for a second. Do var var. Cr var space cr is equal to find. Okay, so game object dot find. Was it game object dot find? Let me just quickly check. Game object dot find. Scripting API. There we. Wait, what the fuck? It's only type. Oh yeah. Find object of type. It should be a game object dot find object of type. I think this is your. Do you not have Copilot? Do you not have Copilot? Okay. Just look for something called game object dot find object of type. It's capital F.
Do you want me just to copy what you?
Yeah. We have to just change the level manager to the script that we were looking for, HSFC. Can you open the Unity again? That HFSC script, whatever was it called? Whatever the hell. Yeah, HFPS underscore game manager. So just type in HFPS underscore game manager.
Could just copy that.
Probably. Yeah, over there, correct? Nope, you could not copy
Oh.
that. That is debug information, my boy. Capital H, F. Yep, there we go. HFPS. Wait, game manager. Underscore. Wait, why does it say you've joined here from Xbox? What the fuck? Morning.
Hello.
Are you on Xbox right now?
I am indeed.
Huh.
And I can even stream to Discord on Xbox.
That's degenerate. Yeah. So.
How is everybody though?
Actually, do not do find object of type. Wait, did we do find object? Yeah, I think it should be find object of type. So it does say HFPS game manager, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm hoping it compiles. No, wait. Okay, now go enter, go to the next line. CR dot player object.
Player object.
What is that? What it's called? Player OBJ. Yeah, player OBJ.
Is it? Do I need the space or no?
No, you don't need the space. Wait, did you just ask me? My boy, can you learn how to code?
I can. This is different.
It's been 8 months. You should know why space is bad. Okay, I'm sorry. Is equal to this.
Equal to what?
Is equal to this dot game object. Small g.
Small g.
Small g. It should be small g.
No.
Yeah. Oh, it's capital. It should be. Again, I don't know why I'm not getting the correct. I think this should be it. Okay.
So we go.
Save it. Yeah, save it first. We'll see if we get any errors. Again, I need you to understand, nobody does this. This is a long shot, it would work. If it works, it would be fucking funny. I know you won't find it funny, but I will find it funny.
Would I need to build the game again?
Yes, you will. Or you just change the code. Of course, you need to build the game again.
No.
But wait, before you build it, can you just check if it works? Is there no way to check it before?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh, is it?
Yeah, there's an error. Can you just show me the error?
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
There's a lot of errors.
No, don't worry. It's usually one error. It's showing yourself as a few. Just look at the first one. HFPS play controller error. Assembly not found. So we need to first using. Okay, you need to add the using namespace HFPS in the start.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Can you stop closing Visual Studio?
I'm sorry.
Just tap in using HFPS.
HEFS.
H. Wait, is it HFPS? Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
Go down.
I use AI for my Roblox scripting. Whoa.
You use AI for your Roblox scripting?
Yes.
Okay. I have just started using AI.
Yeah, but before you tell me, is that all you know? No, of course not. I know the basics of coding before I skipped into it, and I learned a bit of Lua, just basic beforehand, so I can kind of debug it without using the AI.
Oh, don't worry. No, I just started using the AI. I feel like it's completely fine using the AI. I'm telling him the same thing. It's fine using the AI. Okay, doesn't need anything else. Can you save it and go back to the editor? Just don't close it. Jesus, just minimize. Okay,
Yeah,
can you clear it? Can you press the clear button? No, just stay in the console. Okay, now double click on that. What does it want? What does error HFPS underscore game manager? So it doesn't know the script. Can you open the script again? The script? Yeah. Can you open the script? Copy the class name.
This.
No. Go down. Go down. The public class HFPS game manager.
This one.
Oh, it's a singleton. Ah, yes. Yes. Can you copy that? Okay. Can you go back to the script that we were editing?
Oh, there's a lot of scripts open. This
Don't
one.
worry. Go back down. I want to quickly check something. Press on the open bracket. Can you go on the start again? No, just at the open. Above all the code, press enter. No.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Press. Okay, now Control V. Dot. Instance. Oh, why aren't you getting suggestions? Why aren't you getting code suggestions, my man? I don't know if this will work.
How do I spell instance?
Are you not getting code suggestions?
I
Do I need to fix that first?
I don't know.
what's
I'm
not
making
being
this-
listed?
I'm making this man panic so badly. It's too funny.
What's not being put in? Is it the instances?
Yeah.
What's
So I know what's the problem. Close all the scripts. Just close all the scripts once. Can you do me that?
Let me save it. Yeah.
Yeah. No. Don't save this. Just okay. Just
Okay,
close
great.
all the scripts. Just close all the scripts. Okay. I want you to go into edit.
Good.
Preferences. External tools and editors. Perfect. I want you to open open by extension. So there's external script editor, right?
Yeah. External script
On the right hand side, there's a drop down. Yeah, put that Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. My man. I would like you to click everything to yes. Regenerate project files.
Oh, there's a lot of files.
Don't worry. Close it. Okay, let's get rid of the errors first. Like, I want you to comment out whatever we wrote. Open that. Yeah, double click on that. Ah, beautiful. Mwah. Okay, fine. I'm pretty sure this has been a while since you've seen this. Unity input system.test framework. Preparing solution. All of this shit.
Wow, looks brand new.
It looks different, doesn't it?
Is
Doesn't.
Gonna...
It should. Theoretically, it should.
No.
It's still loading. Don't worry. Go back up. Okay. Oh, wait. This is an editor script. Why are we making changes to an editor script? Remove this. 1 second. Remove this. Hold on. Remove this. This is an editor script. This is only supposed to run in the editor. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up.
C# editor.
This is an editor script. Save this. Go back to where the player controller exactly is. Don't give me the C# player controller. Don't give me the editor script. God damn it. I wanna die. I don't know how many tools are you use. Why is there an editor script attached to your... What's going on?
No, I don't think it's attached to it. I think I just opened the wrong one. There you go.
Okay. There's an awake downstairs, alright? I cannot see the line numbers. There's an awake there. Alright? You see the function awake?
Awake. Yeah. Void
Yeah.
awake.
Yes. So, this is also singleton. God damn it. Okay. Press enter. In the first thing you do in that. Okay. I would like you to type in HF. Okay. HFPS. Choose the second one. Choose the second one. Choose the second one. There we go. Yes. Dot. Okay. Instance. Is there some instance thingy? Or player object? Yes. Yes. Press the instance. Dot. There should be player object. Okay. I'm underscore player object. We close. Is equal to this. Small t might still small t. Yeah. Okay. This dot game object semicolon. You know where semicolon is?
Not really.
It's
So,
it's two left to the right. Okay, it's two left to the enter button. Wow. It's the most scared programmer.
It's dark. I can't see. Leave me
Oh my god. Are you coding in the middle of the night in your parents' bedroom or some shit?
Yeah, actually, yeah. It's almost middle of the night, yeah.
Alright. We got this. Alright. Go back to the Unity editor.
You want me to save it first?
Yeah, I want you to save it. Of course I want you to save it. Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Save the main menu as well. Okay, play. I believe.
The start?
Yeah.
Now if I click, my mouse should... No.
Join.
No.
Okay, can you show me what's the hero player variant? What is that game menu you are showing?
It's not on there. It's
Okay.
It
Okay.
was turned off.
Okay, now turn it on. Now turn it on. Okay. Just press play again. Oh no. Make it enable it.
It's on now.
Okay, now pray.
It's turned itself off.
Okay, no problem. We can fix that. Press start.
Oh, that
Okay.
works.
Okay, so we can fix that. Go back to the same place.
This place.
Okay. Press enter. Press HFPC Game Manager again. The same thing till instance above. Dot instance. Dot set active. Whoop. Dot game object. No. Dot enable.
Yeah.
Is it dot enable?
I don't know how to spell enable. Not gonna lie.
ENABLE
Yeah.
is equal to true. What is disabling it though? We need to kind of know what's disabling it. What is disabling it?
So when there's nothing in there, it disables
Cool.
itself.
Probably an invalid call
No,
of a
when there's
function.
nothing in the game object, it disables
Okay.
itself
Okay.
automatically.
Don't worry. We added it. Now we should be able to enable it. It should work.
Okay, whoa. See you in a second. Save this. Let's.
Don't worry.
It's enabled.
And
Clicking. I can't.
why? You told me if we can get this done, it will work. It is now connected to your hero player variant as well, and the correct one.
Is there something wrong with this?
Like, show me the error. There's an error, goddamn, downstairs. Oh, all right. That makes sense. Listen, how about this? Let's do another workaround, shall we? Just unpause it. Just unpause it. Yeah. Do me that. Oh God. You need to collapse your thingies. HFVC object not set to an instance of an object. That's weird. Go back. Jesus Christ. Just create an empty game object and supply it to that Edge SCPF manager.
That's empty.
Yeah, just assign it over there.
Where do I assign it?
The HSF the GUI controller thingy, so that like when it's empty, you said it turns itself off, right? So it's not satisfying a condition. There's something on it, and later on we can just change it, and then hopefully it'll work without saying, "Oh, there's an error on me." Yeah. I think we should be able to just play it.
Let me save it first.
Okay. We still have errors. Why do we have errors?
Still doesn't work.
Why do we have errors? Where is the error coming from?
It's code because you didn't do it right.
Let me unset.
Don't worry, let it open. It'll open correctly. It'll open to the exact place location of the error. Don't worry. This will help you. Okay, where is the cursor? Okay, the cursor should be exactly. But listen, I barely see your screen, so you have to kind of tell me where the cursor is. Where is it saying is the error?
What do you mean by cursor?
So it will actually like literally open. It'll actually like put the cursor with the thing that blinks that tells you where you can type. Where are you from, Jordan?
Australia.
You don't sound Aussie.
Yeah.
You're so timid for an Aussie man. Clear it up. Clear up the error for me. Okay. Okay, so what is... Oh, shit, that was a stupid idea to clear the error because I no longer remember what the error was. Fuck. Okay, so health manager. Okay, so the health manager is looking for the player. Oh, I see the error. The player object. So the health manager is looking for a player object dot get component health manager, right? So it's trying to look for that. So wow, it does need a player stuff before it can be normalized. Yo, that's insane. What the fuck? Who wrote this?
YouTube tutorial.
Wait, this is all from a YouTube tutorial.
It was like a series type thing.
Yeah, okay, fine. It's a series type thing, but the thing that I'm more worried about is, if you notice, like, okay, did you understand what's going wrong though?
It just can't find a player.
Yeah, why? Because the UI object also we're sending does not have the proper health manager. So even if we send and set up a new object for it, it'll still go like, oh, I don't have that information.
We can just turn off the health manager for now.
No, but no. The point is, it's the script that is still looking for the health manager, right? It'll be a required component. The way the system is set up, yeah. So the way the system is set up, no, that really doesn't matter. This doesn't really help. So the way system is, it's really tightly coupled. Does that make sense?
So it can't work without the other one.
Yeah. So it needs the player situation. Even if I go ahead and set the player, it needs to reset up the controller. So you need to call awake again, and for it to be called awake again, you need to destroy and recreate it. So what you can do is click.
Wait. I got an idea. One sec. Can't I just bunch the UI and the player together so when they spawn in, they spawn together?
Beautiful. There we go. That's exactly what I was going towards. That's already a prefab. Why? Oh, yeah. Okay, fine.
See, I was just because I can only place one there now.
But putting them in a folder does not help.
Yep. I'm just putting it here for safekeeping.
Okay.
I want this one.
All right.
Now,
One
if I
sec.
go to fix this as well.
Oh, I'll be right back.
Yep. How do I make it spawn both?
You good, my boy?
How do I make it so it spawns both of them?
I knew this was gonna happen. Create an empty game object.
Yeah.
Put both the things in it.
Oh, okay. I was just being dumb, apparently.
Put that as a prefab. Delete the game_game.ui in the delete both of them. Yeah. Delete that. Save. No. Oh yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. Oh, it can only do the avatar. My bad. Oh, then open the player avatar again.
This one or this one?
There, that one. Put the UI into this. Yeah.
This is the wrong. Is it? Let's just put it in there. So let's see.
Yep.
Network manager.
Save.
Oh, goddamn.
What happened?
I don't know. He was sending a lot of messages.
Oh, we all know I'm an irritating person like that.
Okay. It's not even starting.
Doesn't know it has to spawn that?
It's not starting. Like the start button does not work.
Or because it doesn't know how to take the input because the input was related to the UGUI, right?
Maybe, I think so.
Show me the start button.
Yeah, it was. Oh, I did it. It's working.
There we go.
Okay, let me just. We have to have one of these here.
No, why?
That's how I got it working.
No.
I just dragged
No,
it
you
in
did
there.
not. No, you didn't.
I will do it again. Ready? It's working. See?
Okay, remove that once. No, remove that again. I think it just happened that it didn't take the input properly.
No, I dragged it in there. That's why it turned on. Yeah, look. Now it won't let me input anything. But look, when I drag.
Oh, you just no, yeah, because the UG. 1 second. Can you open the game UI variant control clone?
This one.
Yeah, can you open the prefab for me? I want to see what all is there in it. Yeah. Is there a event?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah. Event
Yeah.
system.
So just put the event system outside.
Let me drag.
No, you can just create new events. Doesn't matter. Just do what you wanna.
Copy. Like that.
Yep. Try now. Better?
It works. Let's build it. Have a try.
Told you.
Thank you. But we still need to fix this room thingy up because I don't want to lose it constantly.
Yeah, maybe.
How would I do that? Because there's no camera display when it spawns in.
So the main thing is, you always want to have only one cam on your game. All right, and the camera attaches the player whose client it is, because it's gonna create a copy for everything else. If that makes sense.
Kind of.
So you have to disassociate your camera from your player.
Yeah.
God, I just had a delicious apple. I'm hoping I was helpful because I think I've been doing this for a bit and I was supposed to do C++ and I completely got deviated.
Yeah, thank you. This was a lot of help.
You learned nothing, didn't you?
I'm gonna be.
You have no idea what I did with preferences and why that worked.
Yeah.
Yeah, as in you did or you didn't?
I did.
God.
He didn't.
God damn it. Ugh. All right. I mean, it's official. I'm gonna be a little better with Unity with most people when it comes to most people over here. But yeah, I need to learn gameplay development. Anyway, tomorrow I think I'll basically do. I'm gonna start like my other series, which is gonna be Unreal in 24 hours. I'll try and figure out and master how to do Unreal anyway. So I think that's gonna be my goal for the next day. Tomorrow I'll be the dumbass.
Hey, you trying to call me a dumbass?
Aren't you?
Okay.
You're a programmer. If you don't call yourself a dumbass, you'll never be better. Does it work?
No.
What does it do?
Is that me or is that?
Move on the other screen.
That's just another copy of me.
I need to.
No. I mean, you're nearly there.
It's moving, but it's not properly synced. Hey, look, I got an issue.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Both the players, both here. Oh, what the hell? No.
What the fuck is going? What are you using, my boy?
So if I leave, it disappears. There's only me.
Yeah.
But
So that means the second player is joining, but it's just the netcode's bad.
there you go. That's the second player, but when we X it out,
Oh, wait a second. Wait,
why is this still
is
here?
what I think happening? Wait, go back to the first player. Is it copying your movements? Okay.
Wait, ready? Look.
Oh. Okay, go back 5 steps. Over here? Yeah, over here. No. I mean, yeah, here.
This one doesn't control it, but this one. Ah.
So there's a priority. You're not, your client, your main host information is not being updated. What?
Whoa,
What
just
the
fell off.
fuck? Hey, you have to figure this one out.
A great horror game. Oh my god.
This one's netcode shit. I don't know what's going on here. Network manager needs to kind of do something here.
They have unique codes. They have their own codes. They shouldn't be copying each other.
Yeah, but do they have their own unique input system?
Yeah, this one's disabled here, so it shouldn't be able to touch it. So if I just, I don't know.
GG's. Hey, I did my job. But